Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. I hope everyone has had an amazing day, an amazing night since the last we spoke. And it is Thursday, May 14th. So second last day of the week. It's been an all right week for price action. In terms of the London session, that is. It's been strongly bullish. Yesterday, how that bullish run that we were looking at yesterday, London session just continued to rally. So shorts, sadly for me, were not the play. But you know what? Today is a new session. So whenever we have a new session where we are happy, we are ready to take it and hopefully catch some big W's in here. You know, that's how we like to do it around Tradeify TV. But other than that, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone's ready to lock in. Let me just get my good morning round in there and then we'll get straight into these markets. So good morning, Caustic. Good morning, Isaac. Good morning, Bush Wookie. Good morning, Jay Lee. Good morning, Leia. Good morning, Mario Kart King, aka Brandon. Good morning, Kiz. Good morning, Albanas, Gary, Surab. Good morning, Amir, Laurentia. I remembered. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Sion. Good morning, The Capture. Good morning, Flash, CMA, Kurt, Kuva, Lizard Trade, Storm Raider. Everyone's here. Good morning to you all. Also, can I just say, Tradeify has just cracked 111,000 subscribers. So big W's to you guys for joining. If you're new here, by the way, pop something in the chat so I can quickly give you a shout out for being new. We'd love to welcome our newbies here. And yeah, let's get straight into it. We'll get straight into NQ as usual. Frankfurt is open. So markets are hot. Markets are moving. Right now, we're looking at what's been overnight a sort of like a pullback session. So what I like to see in London has definitely been provided in Asia. I didn't trade it, but definitely can see how some of you probably banked on the shorts in the Asia session. So we had this strong bullish move pretty much from the New York Open yesterday. We had a bit of a pre-market drop there before New York Open yesterday, and then we basically bought up the entire rest of the day. So this low down here is New York low. Very close to that previous day low there on NQ. Previous day low is sitting at 29,055.5, and then that New York low is 29,075. So they are relatively equal lows. But my eyes are not drawn to those lows. My eyes are drawn to the all-time highs that we have created today. So we have all-time highs now sitting at 29,693. So that 30,000 number that we were talking about earlier in the week seems even more doable today even. If not today, for sure, mark my words, we crack 30,000 tomorrow. I mean, I'm not a future teller, but that's definitely where I see price heading. So if we look at Asia, we had a range here from that high to low of 171 points. So kind of average for an Asia session, but definitely see that as the pullback from this long extension bull run that we had from the New York session from yesterday. And now we've got that small pullback that Asia has provided. And I expect us to use this session that we've got here as the pullback and then to expect expansion for the London session. So we'll see what we get. Daily as well, probably should have started there, but this is what the daily is looking like now. So we've well and truly popped up above that previous day high, which was 29,565.50. And we have daily open from that 29,537 level. So we have opened, we came down a little bit there, but then we have continued to just rally here on NQ, break that previous day high and have left a small wick behind. So, I mean, that bottom wick could be in here and we could just continue to just rock it for the rest of the day, to be honest. But we never know. We never know. I like what we were talking about a couple of days ago was this bullish FVG staying respected. So yesterday's candle close is exactly what I would have expected for a bullish price action to continue here on the daily. So having wick down, respected the midpoint nicely of this bullish gap and then closing above the previous day's high. Very, very clean bullish price action there. So I don't intend for this to drop at any point. I would love to see a bullish market play out here in the London session. And yeah, we'll see what we can get. I mean, if you guys are in any trades, I would have been in this buy had I been at the desk and ready. There was a nice 5-minute setup for me at 1:25 a.m. at that inversion. If I go back, would have been a nice play for the buys. So once we had swept previous 4-hour low, also a sweep of that Asia low, then a tap back into daily open and a bullish reaction off that on the 5-minute. That would have been a nice buy. And then, as you can see, we are currently still buying up here on NQ. So we'll see. Let me know, guys, what you're thinking. Of course, if you guys think the complete opposite, let me know. But I'm definitely seeing London to expand here. I don't think, I mean, levels to the upside, definitely next, that previous 4-hour high, we are just about to tap that, and Asia high. So Asia high is, well, my Asia high sitting at 29,693 is also that all-time high. I say we're going for that all-time high right this session. But let's see, anything can happen. Good morning, GPG says good morning, CCCC money. Love that. W's Laurencia. Jay Lee, first time watching the London stream. Good morning, Jay Lee, and welcome to Tradeify TV. You guys better get cozy. Newbies here. We run this stream for 3 hours, so not sure what time it is on your side of the globe, but if it's coffee drinking time, grab your coffee and get cozy, because we're about to go 3 hours here. Tom Rainer says, my charts on training view are 14 minutes behind. That's weird. Maybe do a refresh. Shouldn't be the case. Waiting for pullback, Lexacto. Fair enough. Oh, you also missed the longs. Yeah, I hate that. But you know what? There will be an opportunity. A small, tiny pullback to get in long, I think, would be nice as well. AUS AJ says, I've been chasing buys all Asian session on ES. 3 break-evens, nothing got away that I was in and missed the one that moved. Don't let it affect you. It does happen. Just about timing. I mean, you played your setup each and every time and it just didn't hit, like, it's not as bad as it could have been. I mean, 3 break-evens, it hurts, and then you see it move. I've been there before. It sucks, but it's better than taking 3 L's, right? So you haven't done so bad. Jaro, the trader in longs from 29,520, and good morning, Celine and Tradeify. Good morning, Jaro, and 29,520. Let's get that level. All right, damn, pretty much Asia low there. Very clean buys off that sweep. I like it. That's the sort of trade I like to be in after we reverse off the session levels. Very nice. Southern Boy, evaluation passed yesterday. Live account today. A+ setups only. Let's go. Wait, when you say live account, do you mean funded or like a live with Tradeify? I mean, that's even sicker, but amazing job either way. Well done. And no, whoop whoop, passed my second eval. Woo, everyone's winning. Everyone in the chat, drop a comment in the chat if you're passing an eval or you've reached payout stage. Let me know. I want to shout you guys out. Southern Boy says funded. Okay, hell yeah. Sarab, New York session got my trailing stop loss. Ended the day with 10 points on ES. Today I'm going long on ES. Entered the Asia swing low. Let's capture some big moves today. Hell yes, Sarab. You are killing it, my friend, on ES. I am Manu Mouse. Hey, Selena, I hit the profit target on a select account, but the consistency in 48%. So do I need to wait to trade that account tomorrow? Profitable to make the consistent. Do I need to wait to trade that account tomorrow? Profitable to make the consistency level right? Yes. Yes, you will need to reach consistency level regardless if the profit target has been hit. Jaro the trader in the funded and working towards payout. Got to get above buffer. You will get there. Stay disciplined. Take those small base hits, and it'll come sooner than you think. Jesus BV1ZK. I entered long just on the inversion you mentioned. Celine, TP is at the all-time highs. Nice. So some of you were ready at the desk and trading that. So killer trade. I love that sort of position to be in once the session low has been swept and that sort of like initial move, but then we get a pullback into here. I really like that. So clean setup, guys. If you're in those longs, I do like it. Even for high targets like that all-time high, I would not be surprised. 2+ backwards says reach buffer on my 5 funded, shooting for that payout tomorrow. Let's go. 2+ backwards. Let's go. You're almost there. You're almost there. Hopefully tomorrow you got the good news for us. Lexacto says passed a lightning funded and purchased a growth account. A lightning funded you've passed? You mean you got to pay out? Because lightning funded is the instant funding, so there's no challenge phase. But growth accounts, hell yeah. I trade the growth accounts. Morning, Inizio. Good morning, good morning. All right, guys, most of you should be in these longs. I know the way some of you trade. I'm sure most of you, I mean, Jonathan, Cheese Balls, you guys are probably in the longs. Let me know what you guys are trading and what you guys expect to see the London session do today. What else? Looking brighter today. Do I look brighter today? Might be the lighting. Honestly, Melbourne weather has been providing. I did complain about the weather last week, but it has been, ever since the weekend, really nice again. Like 23, 25, like, I mean, that's Celsius, but to all you weird Fahrenheit people, it's been really nice weather. So that's probably why I look a bit brighter, because the sun is out and shining through my window. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Moore. Good morning, Bench Boss. All right, Jam NQ says, looking for longs out of this 15-minute gap that will be made. Anyone else agree or disagree? I love a 15-minute pullback. So we are starting to create the 15-minute gap here. So once in the next 3 minutes, assuming this gap forms, yeah, that is a nice level. Something like this to be respected, at least the midpoint of this gap, and then we could trade lower, but as long as we end up with a wick inside this gap, it definitely looks good to shoot for that high. Very much so. Oh, I always forget to turn the paintbrush off. G4G, shoot, I miss these longs. I'm too busy at work. No, for real. I mean, I'm not busy at work. I'm just busy in life, and I also miss those buys. So that sort of pains me to look at. I mean, would have been a very clean buy from down here. But you live and you learn. That previous forever high would have just hit 75 points. So nice to those who took that. Very good work. Celine, did you work as Talisa Stark at... I've heard this so many times. Is that Stark's wife or something from Game of Thrones? People say I look like her. Talisa Stark. I'm guessing that's her. Sarab, Celine, is Jen your sister? By the way, nice antenna. Jen is in Trader Jen? Like Trader Jen Keta that's joined Tradeify TV before? Do we look like sisters? No, she's not my sister. Brandon, no. Brandon says, Celine, Fahrenheit makes so much more sense. 0 degrees equals cold. 100 degrees equals hot. No, I'm sorry. But Fahrenheit, hold on. What I learned the other day is your freezing point in Fahrenheit is something weird, like 32 degrees Fahrenheit. How is that? How does that make sense for Fahrenheit? I mean, for anything in general. Like when you think about freezing ice, like the temperature at which water freezes should be 0. It just makes sense. It's 0. You either go colder to get even colder. No, you go lower to get even colder, so negatives from 0. And to get warmer from freezing point, you go positive. So you guys, Fahrenheit weirdos, it doesn't make sense. 32 degrees Fahrenheit just doesn't make sense. Marcos, talking about sisters, justice for Hannah. Good one, Marcos. Lexacto, yes, I mean, I reached profit target for my lightning fund. It's my first lightning account, so that's nice. Hell yeah, so get that payout. That's a nice way to end the week. Well, we got 1 day left, so don't give it all away. Amir said, ES did take all-time high slim, but NQ failed. Amir, I can always count on you to be watching those SMTs for the stream. Let's have a look at ES. Okay, so ES has taken Asia high, which is also all-time highs. Interesting that NQ is a bit weaker here. ES definitely showing more strength. Okay, this could be an area that, yeah, we do get a bit of pullback from based on that SMT, but it's not, I never enter trades just based on SMT. There definitely has to be more context. And right now I sort of see Asia having already provided that pullback, and I like to think London session it could potentially draw back into this 15-minute bullish gap that we were talking about. We don't want the magnet there. Let me get this square. This 15-minute gap is sort of the only area of price I think we could potentially pull back into, but it should hold. This level should hold. If we are to remain bullish here, I would expect this 15-minute gap to be respected and us to continue higher up from there. Surab, yes, Jen was revealed as an outlaw yesterday. She looks like your twin. Check yourself. I mean, wow, okay. I mean, I'll take that. I don't know if we do. I've never met Jen in person, but from what I see, I feel like, I don't know if I see it, guys. I don't know. Do the rest of you agree? Felicia said, yes, see Jen's outlaw video. Thought you somehow appeared with the hat. No, really? Okay, now we have to watch it. One moment. Let me get that up. That's so funny. One moment. Chad, I don't see it. I don't see it. Wow. I mean, if you guys think I look like that, I will take that as a compliment because I just, yeah. Wow. Interesting. You guys are always funny saying I look like these people and I can just never see it, but that's funny. All right. Let's see what NQ does here. Potentially we might get that drop into this gap also based on ES having that SMT now at Asia High. Let's see what we get. 10 lots, no, absolutely not. Yeah, I agree. Not even close, Bushwookie. Andrea says in the video, yes, but in reality, not really. Yeah, I don't know if I even see it in the video. Like, isn't she like fairer hair as well? She doesn't have dark brown hair like me. I mean, Jen is beautiful, so I take it as a compliment then. But that's funny that you guys say we look the same. Flash Golden, NQ selling. NQ's... I mean, if you call this candle, this one little bearish candle on the 15-minute selling, then okay, but... Timo, you look like my future ex-girlfriend. What? Just for fun, any advice on trading my first funded account? Yes, so much advice, because when I got my first funded account, I definitely didn't trade it with any sort of risk management in mind, and I sort of just took it as, oh, I was taking a couple wins in a row, but then my losses were huge, and so they would wipe out all of the gains I had made. So risk management definitely... Oh, sorry, Roman, I can hear your mic's on in the back. Okay, so I was going to say, so just for fun, definitely when it comes to your first funded, and that goes for all your fundeds from here on, have a risk management plan in place. Use journaling to keep track of all your trades. Trade it no different to how you've traded your eval to get to the funded stage. There is no need to size up, size down. Just do exactly what you've done, and definitely have a risk management in place, because you do now have to work with your drawdown. There is nothing worse than blowing that funded because you sized wrong or whatever. So yeah, definitely. I mean, I personally would just be trading micros and just going for those smaller profits, but over time it will make you more consistent, and it'll help with drawdown. YOLO the funded G for Geo. We don't all need to be D-Gen around here, G for Geo. I had my fun being a D-Gen yesterday, but I'm back. I'm ready to take some profits. Not D-Genning. JW, is there a 4-hour fair value gap at 29,448? Let's have a look. 448. There is one down here. Yes, an untapped 4-hour bearish gap. The low of that candle is 29,441.50. So that's the high of that gap there. But I mean, I'm not really looking there as a reference, because we did provide the pullback in this last 4-hour candle into this 4-hour gap. So that's the nice That's the nice play there for the bulls. When we retrace back into a bullish 4-hour gap, sweeping out Asia lows, that is the cleanest kind of trade I could be in. So yeah, I think now that we've respected that 4-hour gap, close with a nice buying wick there is no reason for us to retrace back into that gap. I say we pump higher, but we'll see. Thanks for the advice. Yeah, no worries. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, shoot them over, because in this first hour, I can get to more comments. There's just more time. Sometimes Frankfurt Open just isn't as exciting. But guys in the longs, are you still planning on holding? Those of you who are long right now in NQ, where are you guys looking for TP? I mean, if it was me, I would have at least a contract. I would partial, but also have a contract definitely for that all-time high. Kyle says 2 to 4 micros goes a long way, and you can add when your stop's in profit. Yeah, for sure. Some people might scale in definitely into their trades. I like to just have the fixed amount of micros, and then sometimes if I really see like a bigger move in New York session playing out, I could potentially scale in once, like add into the position, but only once. I've only ever done that like once. So yeah, but definitely sizing with micros in the funded stage will help you. It will go a long way. Hope from trades, do you still trade micros? Yes, in the fundeds, but right now these are 2 evals I'm trading across. So you'll see whenever I switch to micros, it's when I'm trading on the fundeds. 2011, Jason. See money, you've been in since 522. Hell yeah, almost 100 points there. Let's go. Cheeseballs holding all day, going drinking now. I love that. I knew Cheeseballs would have been in this long. Go back like 10 minutes, Cheeseballs. I said, I know he's in this long right now. Shamu's official. Where is Potato today? Potato is asleep. Potato doesn't wake at these hours of the day. It's probably like 3:30 a.m. for him. Celine, you already know we are holders. I know you guys are holders. You guys are the complete opposite to me. I am not a holder. All right, here's the thing. So previous 4-hour high has been swept. We also have the previous 4-hour high of ES having been swept, and we are still inside Asia's range. So normally, you guys know the way I like to trade the 4-hour and the London session is to have now see this as a selling opportunity, but I'm not as convinced based on Asia's sell here. This 170 point drop. I don't like as much selling now in the middle of this range. So normally I would probably be looking for a short here, but given the context of the Asia session, and the 4-hour having pulled back and already tapped into this gap, I'm not sure that I love it as much. But current 4-hour candle, yes, doesn't have a bottom wick. So this could be a level that's nice to short from. That's just going to be less probable for me. So if I am going to take it, it's only going to be on the evals. And I'm going to need a really nice displacement to short this, because I am very much bullish in the session today. But let's see. I just don't see the 4-hour making that, getting all the way back down to make that bottom wick today. But we'll see. I could be totally wrong. We could end up selling off a little bit here before London Open. Do I want to try it? Let's see how this candle moves. If it's not a displaced candle, if it's like a half-ass bearish candle, I'm not going to take it. I'm just asking for a lot more because context given here, I am liking the... And there we go. It's 225 now, so I'm not looking now for a short. Going to wait for the new 15-minute to open at 2:30, and we'll go from there. Kyle says, I think Celine should do her own show. This first hour pretty much is my own show. I don't know how I could do this for any longer on my own. Not gonna lie, it's boring with talking on your own. Zara Mignon says, when your first trade is a loss, for next trades you adjust your position size or you keep the same risk. It really depends. Oh, and there's that displacement candle, but it is 225, so I'm not looking for a short now. But look at that. This would be an area. I'm just going to mark up this bullish gap to see, as I wouldn't expect us to trade much lower than that, but I could see us definitely tapping into that gap and then going higher. Let's see. But to answer your question, do you keep the same risk? When I take a loss, it's different between evals and fundeds. I'll be honest, yesterday it was on the eval, so I took that first loss with 3 minis, and then I took the second one with 2 minis. So I sized down slightly, but not so much because it's an eval. But in the funded stage, yes, I will take 2 losses and then just call it quits. So that's it. Full size risk across 2 losses, and then nothing more than that. If I get stuck 2 in a row, I will stop. I will switch to other accounts. Bushwookie doubling down equals quickly blown account. Oh yeah, don't be doubling down on fundeds. Definitely not. But I mean, in the eval stage, sometimes if you see that A+ setup, I got to take it sometimes and just risk it. That's so Kayla Brosleen, are you still shorting? No, bro is not shorting today. Bro is waiting for context. I'm waiting really for us to react in this 15-minute gap and then potentially take a long out of there. But we'll see. Didn't get a setup to short into that gap. Haven't had the reaction in that 15-minute candle here. So waiting for the new 15-minute candle to open, potentially pop up above this high. That's what I like to trade. So once we sweep out its previous 15-minute high and then take the shorts after we get that sweep, sell off into a gap like this, or yeah, because I'm bullish bias, I don't expect us to get lower, any lower than that. Nick Metzger, today you're doubling down on fundeds. Hell no, doubling down on evals, never fundeds, Nick. That gambler in you needs to, you know, come down a bit. Sujit says, I'm funded. I'm up by 13k USD. Hell yeah. 13,000 US is a solid amount to be up. Marika King says, chatting from the gym. No, it's a holiday stay in gym opens later. I have to go later. Oh, is it the... What did they say was the holiday stay in Switzerland? The holiday of men? Holiday in Switzerland today. Wait, we have to get this right, chat. Oh, I don't know what it is. Anyway, Nick, you are streaming today, right? Or do you have the day off? Ascension Day. That's right. That's right. I thought yesterday someone said, Nick, wait, I swear yesterday someone in the chat or you said it's the holiday of man or something. I swear. I won't be on NY stream, but I'll join London if you're nice. Yay! Yes! Don't let me do 3 hours on my own. I'll go crazy talking to myself for 3 hours. All right, I'll be nice. Every day is the holy day. Oh my god. All right, well, we're looking forward to having you in 30 minutes here, Nick. Until then, chat, we have freedom to do whatever and say whatever we want. So let's fucking go. All right, what else do we have in the chat? Celine, what's a like TP to release Nick? Oh yeah, no shit. We didn't even talk like counts around here. Okay, so I'm gonna say 320 likes. I've got to start writing this down because I'm gonna be honest, I keep forgetting the targets. It's 320 likes or to unlock Nick, or 430 likes for the first giveaway. 430, 320, just in case some of you try to trick me later. It's 320 likes to get Nick on and 430 to do that giveaway. So make sure if you're just joining, smash the like button, That's how we do it around here. Smash the like button and we will give you guys a count. It's as easy as that. Dev Trader, actually, I don't trade live capital. That might be a shock to you guys, but I am not in a situation where I am comfortable really risking that of my own capital. I mean, for as long as prop is around right now, I am just loving that. 320 likes. Nick says 320 likes is 0.28% of our subscriber count. He loves the good stat. Kind of sad if you think about it that way. That's kind of true. Yeah. There you go. To put it simply, that is nothing. We are cracking 100. What did we do? We're 111,000 subscribers now. So to ask for like 320 likes should be nothing. So guys, if you're just joining, you know what to do. Smash that like button and we'll do the giveaway. Thinus, thank you. Says you're very adorable and nice to see you have no filter on stream. Nope, no filter. I just talk. Wait, Bushwookie. Sad or epic that you would have that you have that many subs? Why would it be sad? It's 100% epic. And Tradeify to the moon, because I said 113,000 by the end of the month, but that looks like we're going to hit that just today, to be honest. 10 lots says yes, but not everyone is awake right now. Well, 10 lots, go and wake everybody up in your house. Everyone needs to get up. Tradeify TV has started. We started 30 minutes ago, so y'all are sleeping in. Let me check what likes we're at actually at the moment. By the way, I don't know if any of you guys saw on the channel, but I think Drew or Colin forgot to stop going live on the game night. So that's funny. All right, so 160 likes. 161 now. 161 likes. So we'll get there. There's still 30 minutes. Hoffem trades. How many micros is full size for you, and do you trade the same size for every account? Good question. No, my sizing is based on the amount of drawdown, so I will change it based on the drawdown amount. So if I always want to have 10 trades. So if it's a $3,000 drawdown, I'm risking 300 to usually make 300, like a 1-to-1 plus more. Usually I'll keep a contract on. So hopefully that makes sense. Morning, Adam. Morning, Neho. I know, Nick. I mean, Nick, you may as well just come on stream, hey? I mean, he's sitting there in the comments chat. Should we bring Nick on half an hour early? Or is he going to be lazy? Me as a big don't answer while streaming. Caught out, Nick. Caught out. Oh, Faxuk says Celine looking cute. Thanks. But guys, we are here to trade. So let me know, by the way, if you guys are still holding longs, those who are in longs, or if anyone is seeing that potential short, looking at this 15-minute gap below. And that 4-hour looking like it's wants to make a bottom wick here. So I don't hate it for the shorts. Let him relax for 30 minutes. Should we? Chad, no, don't bring him over. Let's just enjoy you alone. All right. Yeah, that's true. Wait, what is going on? Nick says, Bushwookie, might as well tell it now that you revealed our secret. What secret? What is going on? Bushwookie, tell me what's the secret? I completely missed. What did you reveal? I want to know all the secrets. Adam says, you the most innocent outlaw out there, Celine. You should be a sheriff helping us get those outlaws. Oh, you guys, I am coming. No, I don't want you guys to think, oh, maybe that's the plan. But when it comes to competition, I can be fierce. I am coming for that cup. Don't you guys worry. All right, I can turn it on when it comes to competition. I can be very, very tough. So, you know, this could just all be a facade. And come next week, 17th of May, I am going to destroy that competition. You guys are going to be out of here. X-Trago, good morning. Good morning. Is this good morning, Celine and Trading Fam? Hi from Canada. But I'm missing the whole... You need to catch up on the convo, Bushwalkie says. Bushwalkie, I don't have time to go back over yours and Nick's conversation. I want to know what's the secret. Tell me. Guys, I don't like when you keep secrets from me. Adam K says, I've been away for the last week. What did I miss? Not a whole lot. London session has been interesting. Definitely to me. Reversal traders probably got cooked yesterday, but you've come at a good time, Adam. I say we are going to shoot for all-time highs this London session, so you've come on a good day. J. Ramsey, you need to work on your trash talk, lol. All right, I can work on it, guys. I can trash talk, but I must say, it doesn't come natural, okay? But I will work on it. Leave me alone. Sarab says, Spud is the most innocent, very easy to manipulate. Miriam does it all the time. Yeah, Spud is... I think that's just... I mean, he doesn't seem like someone who would be easy to manipulate, but I feel like he's very gullible. Well... Amy says we might get cooked today as well, reversal traders. Potentially. This could... I feel like this is just going to be a pump session. Yes, Mexican Dance, 111,111 angel number subs. It's insane. Nick says Mexican Dance, we should do a Mexican Dance to celebrate. Oh my god, we should. We should, Nick. When you get on, we're going to do the Mexican wave. I hope you know what that is. It doesn't really help with two people, but we'll make it work. But yes, 111, 112 soon, 113 sooner. Like, it's just going to be... It's Tradeify all the way. All the way. Oh, what? Chifajir, what? I have no idea. Does that have something to do with drugs? What? Nick, what is the context? Guys, what is happening in this chat today? I am so confused. Oh, the Mexican... the Mexican wave. Oh, okay. Because the chats are coming through delayed. No, the Mexican wave has nothing to do with drugs. It's just like a... Wait, now I have to show you a Mexican wave. Because that's so funny that you don't know. I'll show you what a Mexican day is. Mexican wave is. Hold on. Here we go. One moment. See this? Ooh. This is what they call a Mexican wave. But you need like heaps of people. But basically, if you see in a stadium, everyone just gets up and is like, woo. But it looks really cool because all around the stadium they do it. And it's called a Mexican wave. Anyway, that's what I said. But yeah. It's going to be hard with two people. But that's what I meant. Lol, her internet. What? Did you guys not see that? Was it real? Yeah, Mario Kart doesn't work because you're on the other side of the world. What happened? Damn, Celine, that internet belongs to the Flintstones. I saw that YouTube clip like loud and clear. I'm sorry if that is your guys' problem. It's not mine because that was loud and clear to me. Celine, can you please do the woo again? It was hilarious. No, only once. You can go back and watch the woo if you want. You just did a keynote presentation with 5 slides. What? It wasn't that bad. You guys are a bit dramatic with when it comes to internet. Was it blurry? So they have a cartel wave. Awesome futures trading. I don't know why they call it the Mexican wave, to be honest. That's another question I have to look up. Why is it called the Mexican wave? The Mexican wave is named after the 1986 FIFA World Cup in Mexico, where the crowd phenomenon was introduced to a massive global television audience. Okay, makes sense. It was created in Mexico at the World Cup, so that's why. That makes a lot of sense. Matter of fact, did she even show a video? That's gonna be so funny to watch, to go back and watch after. I have to see what you guys saw. To me, that was clear as, so I don't know. What, did it just freeze or something? And yeah, I was convinced it was a keynote. My internet is fine, Nick. Guys, don't listen to him. Now, buys were definitely on right now. Buys are cooking, so I'm waiting for my opportunity to get in here. Also, potentially a short just into this 15-minute gap. Like, nothing beyond that. I just think we're so strongly bullish here on NQ, so I don't want to stay in shorts for long if I do end up taking a short. But other than that, I will wait for the reaction in this gap and take longs out of there as well. Are really sure it's a speed test then? No, I'm not doing a speed test on stream. I'm not stupid. Roman told me if I do a speed test, it'll cut my internet. So then the stream will go. The video was like 5 pictures slide. That's ridiculous. You guys are just dramatic. Today looks like... Nick, get out of here. Nick, we don't need you for another 20 minutes. Chat, let's just ignore anytime you see that blue name in the chat. Let's just ignore, because now he just wants to talk shit. And I don't have to listen to this. Maybe increase it'll be better. Go away. Go away, Nick. Seriously, we don't need you for another 20 minutes here. Okay? Get out of here. Delayed picture slides. Yes, kids. Who's Nick? Who the fuck is Nick? I don't know. That guy with the blue one, the blue name. This one she's talking about. Yeah, that one. That blue name. We don't read or respond to any of his comments. Then he'll go away. Now, chat. But, I mean, what you say, funny username, says Nick's dedicated, but why doesn't he come on stream then? If he was so dedicated to the chat, to you guys, wouldn't he come on instead of just sitting there in the chat and not coming into the stream? Starts interacting with chat. All right. You know what? Nick is just here to troll, and I'm not going to allow for the next 20 minutes. He can come on stream and troll all he wants for 2 hours. But let me have this hour in peace. He has to get his hair perfect. Oh my god. It's probably true. I think the 5-minute looks ass on NQ. Hi, Amir. I'm here too. But guys, so looking at the markets now, I mean, based on that SMT with ES, you could potentially expect to see a sort of move to the downside here, and not long-lived though. If we are to see some sort of short play out, I would be watching this 15-minute gap, and maybe even seeing how we react to previous day high again. But I don't expect us to fall heavy. Not at all. But as you can see, there is an SMT now with ES. ES is reacting to that Asia high, all-time high level, whereas NQ failed to get there. So NQ is the weaker asset and ES is the stronger asset. So we're just waiting here. Potentially we sell off into this gap, but we'll see. We're also very close to that London Open volume coming in. So beware. Nick be one of the idiots in chat who copy paste the same message 10 times to pistol. Bruh. I need to work out how to block this guy. Block this person. They won't be able to message you or mention you, and they won't be able to see each other's live mention. Wait, should I just straight up block him? I should block him. Nick, you have like beyond triggered me right now with that copy paste. Oh my god. You might not even get an intro today. But I feel like blocking you might mean we can't undo that, which might be a problem in the future. So I'm not going to block you. Fine, but just... I wish there was a button to just mute. Mute that guy. Let him know. Oh, there we go. Roman with the poll. Will we see a money gun today? Yes. No, the gun needs to be fixed first. What is everyone making fun of my technology for? All right, here. We'll fix it, Roman. Ready? Here it is. I do have to get new batteries. Nope. That doesn't work. One moment. Let me try that again. Nope. All right. No money gun today, Roman. I've answered for the whole chat. We won't get a money gun today, but we might get a manual money gun. Oh, wait. Spoke too soon. Money gun is back. There we go. Hold on. All right. That might actually jinx us for the day. So I actually don't like that I shot that off already. All right. What's Nick saying now? You can pay up and get me that 150k lightning funder that will meet me for today. Not happening. Not happening today. You know the deal, Nick. Don't even try. You know the deal. I really hope, chat, that Nick and I go head to head. Oh, by the way, let's get an update on the Grand Cup. But I really hope secretly that I'm meant to head with Nick, because I just want to knock him off the competition and have bragging rights forever. That would feel so good. All right. Let me just get... Here we are. Let's see who we've revealed for the Grand Cup. Okay, so latest reveals were our very own Omas and Rebecca and Jen. So 3, I think you guys probably suspected after seeing the rest of us hosts revealed. You probably did expect Omas and Rebecca, but I don't know if you guys expected Jen. And that leaves us with 5 more to go. That one is still my most... I'm very still confused about who that is, so I can't wait to find out. But let's see. Do you guys have any ideas? Celine won't let you live it down if you lose to her, Nick. Oh, no, for real. Nick will never hear the end of that. That will be bragging rights forever. Forever. Amy says, I think you're going to have a chance to beat Nick in something, Celine. Yes, I hope so, guys. I really do. The 1%ers effects. Celine, what indicators are you using? I use 2 indicators on my chart, and yes, we go through this every morning on stream. The first one is the sessions and key levels indicator by Script Edge. The same guy who did the same PyScript developer that did my other indicator. This is the sessions and key levels one. This one here. And that's the one that I use that's printing the like session box here around the Asia session. It's also printing the daily open level. It's printing previous day high, Asia low, all those levels in the chart now. And then the other one that prints and looks for like the visualization tool for my model is just the Selling Trades model. And that is all I use. Brett gave it away. Gave what away? Next one to Jen is Joey. Ooh, do we think it's Joey? That would be interesting. Oil is dumping. Let's have a look at oil. Actually, let's have a look at gold first. Oil is still at 100. I don't call that a dump. I mean, where has gold gone? What are we seeing? Oh, that's NQ again. Come on. Trading view. Be better. Whoa. Okay. Gold is right now in a range. Stuck in this range on gold since just about Wednesday this week. So we have this sort of range in gold that I would like us to at least break out, like sweep out of. And then I would assume we stay printing to the upside, but it could go either way. I mean, after this sweep, we did have a nice bullish reaction after sweeping out that Monday's London low, and then nothing since then. I think gold is heavily skewed towards, I mean, whatever happens with Trump and Iran, gold is going to react to. So we could definitely see a big reaction if we get any sort of Trump tweet happening today, Friday, or what they love to do is do it on the weekend. But we'll see. Not the cleanest looking gold chart, if I'm honest. Would prefer us to get out of this consolidation and trade out of that. But we'll see. Potentially now having retracing into this 15-minute bullish gap, looks like we are trying to make a move out of there, and potentially that 4-hour high is a key level that we could get to and sweep out. But previous day high is still intact. Previous day low has been swept. That's a nice buying opportunity down there when Asia low was swept back at midnight. So we'll see. Nice buys off that sweep there. Clean on gold. But ever since then, yeah, we're not really going anywhere. Not my kind of price action I like to trade. Zooming out just looks a bit stuck. So we'll see. Maybe gold makes a move in the London session and we can catch something. But for now, NQ starting to make that drop towards that 15-minute gap. Let's see it. Let's see that gap respected and then take a buy out of there would be my most comfortable trade position to be in, I think, this session. Bonjour, Jean-Francois. Welcome. Leia, I'm long on oil. Retest reminder open. Okay, nice. Leia, you know I am not the oil trader, but hell, wow. Oil did dump there. So, Leia, good luck for the longs. I mean, it definitely can work out. Looks like we have swept a key level here. That previous day low level got smashed through, and it looks like we could be buying back up. But wow, what a dump on oil. Missed that dump 20 minutes ago. We got all the way up above 100. We were trading at 103. 103 yesterday was the high. Previous day high sitting at 103.67 on oil. But let's see what it does now. This could be just a retracement and then a move to dump lower on oil, but not the expert layer. I leave oil to you. Trump in China. Yeah. Trump is in China right now. My TP would have already hit at 1-to-1 if I was able to take my setup, but I'm just so bullish. Damn. Amir, your system told you, or your context that you gave your trading today, your analysis told you not to take the trade. So it's as simple as that. There is no reason to be stuck on the trade that you didn't take because you simply just didn't take it. So there's no point. Just look for the next trade, the next opportunity. These markets are moving every single second of the day. So that FOMO feeling shouldn't last for long. You got to have an abundance mindset when it comes to trading. That really changed. I think I've spoken about that before, but that really changed my mind. Like, really having an abundance mindset towards a chart makes you remember that there is always another opportunity. This isn't the only time to trade. Like, we're talking about a small drop there, that being your 1-to-1 position that you missed. Big deal. That drop can happen in the next 5 minutes. Like, you just have to be ready. You have to be focused and you have to not hesitate when that setup comes along. Good morning, M&Qs. Good morning, good morning. AG Trader Slim, why are you lying before you were outlaw? I hope you get a Pinocchio nose. No, I don't want a Pinocchio nose. I like my nose. But yeah, look, I talked about that yesterday. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Chad. I will be forever indebted to you guys for lying on stream. But you know what? I didn't want to ruin it, okay? I wasn't going to be that one outlaw that had to add it to the chat just because. So I had to lie. Blame Brett. No worries, Amir. GPG says, so does that one guy. Oh, remember that guy in the chat that said, yeah, that was weird. That was weird. Now, guys, we are 5 minutes away from London Open, so I'm going to check quickly on the like count call here, because you never know. Have we hit it or have we not hit it? We have to get 320 likes before Nick comes on. We are only at 226. 226 likes with 500 of you viewing here. It is absolutely rubbish. We deserve more than that. So make sure you smash the like button. We literally have 5 minutes before and I can bring Nick on. And if you haven't gone to 320 likes, I will not be bringing him on. And we won't be doing a giveaway. We need way more to do a giveaway. So we're way off that. I had 430 written down for the giveaway. So make sure you're hitting that like button, and yeah, then you will get what you want, which is that giveaway. But first, you guys have to do the work. Mac Trade says, I think Celine can sing. What makes you think that? I think AG Trader says, I think Brett will be one of the outlaws. If Brett is an outlaw, we're all cooked. Just saying. Please. Good morning, Fernando Trades. Leia, yes, 240 likes. We need 300. We need 320 likes to bring Nick on. We're way off. Leia says you have 2 minutes. We don't even have that. Like, we need to get these likes ASAP so I can bring Nick on well and truly before the London Open. But it doesn't look like we're going to get that. I'm just refreshing now. 263. We need another, like... Oh, I hate the quick math. But we need another, like, 50, 60 likes. What are we at? 266. Okay, it's going up so slowly, but... It's kind of sad. Nick's going to have to wait there in the back until we get there. There's over 500 of you watching, so maybe it's the issue that you don't know where the like button is. Because if so, it's the thumbs up button at the bottom of the stream, just below the headline, the title. You'll find the like button. And that's all you got to do. All right. Oil's looking good, Leia, for your lungs. No sweeper previous 15-minute high there, so I'm not taking that. Oh, well, it was a no-trade Frankfurt Open today. I haven't actually gotten any clean setup, and sort of glad because we haven't gone anywhere. This is the 2 a.m. Open, and since then we have sort of just chopped around. We don't love that. So hopefully we're going to get a nice London session in the next few minutes, a London Open volume pop, and we'll see what we can get, because like I said, I'm trying to get in a long position here. I don't like that we dropped and didn't actually tap into that 15-minute gap. I don't know if I trust that. I feel like we are going to make a second move for that gap and then go higher. All right. What are you guys saying? Black Interval says, bro, Celine, you look exactly like my sister. Really? Do I have a doppelganger out there? What does your sister look like? I mean, do you have a photo? Can you send a photo to my Instagram? I want to see if I have a doppelganger out there. Andrew, it's just chopping. What are max sign up for a GC? There are no max signups. Everyone is welcome to join the Grand Cup, if that's what you mean. I can't wait for Nick's black screen. OMG, please, Celine. Okay, fine. I actually feel bad for people in the chat that are in America, and they have to look at my... That's like 3 a.m. for them, and they have to look at my white charts. Here you go. Here you go, Americans. I'll trade on grey charts. Amia, we are respecting a 5-minute bullish gap, Celine. We could be. I think we definitely are. But for me, I'm watching that 15-minute gap. I think it's always stronger on a higher time frame. So I would prefer us to drop into this gap, definitely. I would have actually liked to have swept out that previous 15-minute high and then taken a short into there. But we didn't get that set up. And in just a minute... How does the white not hurt your eyes, Celine? Because the white keeps me alert, keeps me focused, keeps me alive. The white, as you can see in my t-shirt, as you can see on my charts. But you know what? Gray is a middle. I'll meet you in the middle, guys. I'm not going black, but gray is what I can do. Now, Nick has joined me in the back room, which means I can bring him on at any given moment, but you guys just have to smash the like goal. So I'm going to quickly check. What the hell are we doing? There's over 500 of you here and only 300 likes. So 20 people more to like the stream and I can give you the Nick data. But hurry the fuck up. He's here. He's ready. You want to get him on? Let me see. Roman just in the back like, yes, 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 yes. All right, there's that 15-minute tap, by the way, guys. We're now trading in that 15-minute gap, so I'm keeping my eye there. All right. Come on, guys. 10 more likes. Come on. I hate begging for likes. I'm getting his intro ready because I'm sure you guys are going to smash it now. Did someone just unlike the stream? We just went from 310 to 309, guys. Some of you are actually trolling today. For real. Oh, guys. Nick, I'm sorry. We have to wait for 10 more likes. I gave them a like goal. What are we going to do? Oh, Nick's in a short. Nick's in a short. Nice. Okay. Well, Nick's in the short. We want to see his trades, right? Come on, guys. Come on. All right. 318. Whatever. We'll get there. I'm going to get his intro out. I'm sure you guys are going to smash it. Okay. Let's get ready. It's that time. Let me introduce you to the white tea wearing, hand over moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, steak with ketchup abusing, cyborg trolling, intro creating, KFC hiding, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, Dimsy strategy inventing, twice defeated, Mario Kart playing, one spader, the one and only. Oh, I think I'm getting better at that. The Nicholas Wickle. Hello. Hello, Governor.
Hi. How are we doing?
We're doing good.
Good. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Hope you are doing well.
Happy Man's Day for you today.
Hey, happy Men's Day every day. It's important.
Yep. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're enjoying that. We are glad to have you in the London session. We're glad to have you out of the chat and actually in the stream.
What do you mean out of the chat?
Because you were in the chat today, and I'm glad to have you out of the chat.
I wasn't.
And into the stream. All right. Anyway, let's talk about your trade. Let's get straight into it because Nick is just going to troll me.
Okay. Here's a quiz.
What?
First of all, everybody, you know what to do. And I see a lot of you are already doing it. Put a big fat one in the chat if you enjoy the solo hour with Celine. Put a big fat one in the chat if you love putting big fat ones in the chat. Put a big fat one in the chat if you love trading. Put a one in the chat if you love making money. Put a one in the chat if you think that today is going to be an amazing day. There we go. Nice. All right. Quiz question.
To me?
To everybody.
Okay.
The reason why I wasn't in the chat for the last 15 minutes was because I was watching a bunch of videos, all
on the Mexican way.
Basically the same, just different variations of it. If anybody guesses what I was watching, you get 150k lightning funded account.
You were watching Mexican Wave videos.
No. Oh, you mean Mexican Wave keynote presentations? 5 frames a minute?
Oh, wait. I want to know what you watched. Not like a cooking video where they're pouring ketchup on steak.
Let's see. We have the Outlaws, Mexican Wave, ketchup and steak AI videos, brain rot. Yeah, it goes under the category of brain rot, that's for sure. But you gotta be more.
Oh yeah, cat videos. There's definitely a cat video.
Cat videos. Mario Kart videos, no. SpongeBob, nope. Learning Chinese accent, nope. I already got that down. White T-shirt compilations, nope. Gym fail, nope. You guys have 50 more seconds to guess. It's literally one of my. It's basically, I would say in the top five of my favorite videos.
It's the Why Are You one interview.
No, nobody will ever guess this. I'm 100% sure nobody will ever guess this. It's top so funny, and some of you have probably seen it before. And maybe it's just me having a broken sense of humor. I don't know.
Imagine it's not even funny. You have to play it on stream, you know.
I'll play it. I'll play it.
Can I call you Mister?
Can I call you Mister? Well, Jonathan, the Ezekiel is pretty funny too. It's not in the top 5 though, but it's up there. All right, nobody guessing it. Nobody guessing it. I knew it.
Tell us.
Okay, I'll tell you. Did you watch
Jurassic
Park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a while ago. I
You know
haven't seen
this
it for a while.
scene where the T-Rex at the end of it, like walks up to that platform and just screams into the.
Yeah.
So just watch this, okay?
That is so stupid. Stop laughing. What?
This is the funniest shit ever. There's so many variations of this.
You
There
are
are
broken.
so many variations of this,
Oh
and
my god, guys.
it's the most hilarious shit ever.
Anyone who just entered the chat right now, we got no comment for that.
Like, look, guys, if you're ever bored, okay, just go to your wife, to your husband, to your friend, whatever, film them and be like, hey, what sound does a dinosaur make? Okay, and then they're gonna go like something like rawr or whatever, right? Then you take that sound and you put it over that video. It's the funniest shit ever. I promise you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now you know. All right, back to the shorts. I am in a short. Thanks for.
Well, we can barely see it. Can you please zoom in? Those damn
Sure.
charts.
Better.
There we go. Better. Yes.
Wait,
Oh.
I'll do it the Celine way. 1 second.
Oh, look at that. Look at that dump. Holy.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, nice.
Crazy volatility in the markets right now. Fernando Trade says, man, we need to know you more to understand you.
Yeah. I don't
That's
know if
funny.
there's anything to understand, but boom, here's the target.
Oh, you're expecting quite the drop.
Yeah, 100, almost 109 points.
Okay. Are you long yet, Colleen? Radish Gamer, you're the only one around here calling me that. How about
No,
we
everyone
stop?
is calling you Killeen. Are you looking for longs?
I'm waiting to see how we react in the 15-minute gap. My normal model to trade this session would be to take a short now that 4 hour has been swept and the 4 hour candle had no bottom wick. But now it has created that bottom wick and we have tapped into the 15-minute bullish gap. So I'm now looking for potentially a long out of there. It wouldn't be the usual model, but I'm just liking it more given the context. But we'll see.
Famous last words. It's not my usual model.
It's not my usual model.
Fuck.
Your trading permissions have been revoked.
Oh no.
Oh no. Selena's about to fade you, Nick. No, I mean, I'm not saying 100%. I'm waiting to see how we react. If we go ahead and invert this 15-minute gap, then I will look for that usual short setup. That will be my confirmation. But I want to see how we react.
Just give me my target and you can do whatever you want. I don't care.
Where are you getting to again?
501.50.
Okay.
I mean, yesterday on stream, Brett faded me. That didn't end well for him.
No. Did he lose against you? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Brett loses?
What? I'm telling you. There's a reason why I have 5K bounty on my head, you know?
Oh, we should be scared, you're saying?
Not scared. Just be ready.
These guys were saying I'm too innocent to be an outlaw. I don't understand that logic. They think this is it's just a facade. They don't get it.
Yeah.
When it comes to competition, I can be very, very serious and tough.
Gregor, no, nobody has figured out my strategy yet. Yeah, you can be very tough. Real Madrid, India. Sorry.
Something in your throat there?
Yeah, sorry. ATM, you're not moonwalking today. Actually, good point. I'm not going to be on New York stream, so I'll be moonwalking right now. That is a very good point. Because otherwise...
Oh, wow. This is a London session first.
That is actually a London session first. That's correct.
Wait for it, chat. Wait for it. White shirt, grey shorts coming up in T minus.
Nope.
Oh, he's wearing black shorts, damn it. That means you didn't shower after gym. Ha.
No, I didn't go to the gym. If you would have read my comments...
Oh, sorry.
You actually even read it out loud, which makes it even funnier. But anyways.
Well, I'm sorry that I didn't memorize all your comments, Nick. But yes, I do remember now. This is the Man's Day holiday. Radish Gaming, you don't need to spam, but yes, Indian accent. One day.
What's up with Indian accent?
He just said, Indian accent, please, I give you pass, I'm curious. And he said it 5 times.
I can't do that. Maybe he was talking to you. I don't know.
Oh, well.
He starts to walk.
Oh yeah, that doesn't sound good.
In the beginning, it always sounds like it falls apart and wants to explode. So give it 5 minutes and it won't sound anymore.
Oh yeah, it sounds really squeaky.
Warming up, you know? It's warming up. Hey! Suriluki, shout out, says, yo, Nick, I passed that 150k growth account, which I won, but I don't quite understand the rules. Could you please simply explain? Well, you got to be a bit more specific, mister. Or should I call you Mrs.? What do you not understand? You can always go to the help center on Tradeify.co and there you see all the rules about the account. But if you have specific questions, then ask them specifically and I will specifically answer you.
No Ticotium says, what is that walking pad? What make, what model?
It's called a walking pad A1 Pro.
There you go, chat.
How much did the treadmill cost? I have no idea. I don't remember. Maybe $600. I don't know. Banana. Funny username. Well, you can read it then.
Yo, Nick, what's your stop loss? Yo. There we go. There it is. Right on time. Celine looks like Tate McRae. I'm getting the weirdest. Someone today in the chat, well, a few of them, I don't know if you were there, said I look like Jen.
Gotta Google again. Gotta see if I can confirm. No,
nothing at all.
Hannah looks more like her. To be fair,
not at all.
A little bit more than you.
I don't look any. She's blonde.
Oh, well, you can like.
I was blonde.
There.
That was true. I was blonde, but they said today I look like Jen. Can you believe that?
You still are blonde. Sometimes.
Oh my! That's it.
What? Oh shit! She left. We got her, chat. Oh, she's back. What?
That's not nice.
What?
You have to say sorry before I come back on stream. Bye.
You are back on stream. Why do I need to say sorry? I don't even understand what's happening. I just feel like
I am not blonde, chat.
I feel like sometimes when the light hits you from the right angle, you look a little bit blonde.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah,
that's interesting.
Yeah.
Just when the light hits it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right, G4G. I need my own God voice. I really do. All right, we'll move on, shall we, chat? Celine fan club in the chat right at the moment. I need you. Thank you. You're definitely blonde. Guys, see what you've done, Nick. Nick, now the chat are gonna say I'm blonde. I hate you guys. Look what you've done. You've been here for 15 minutes.
I'm sorry. Well, it was kind of funny.
Go.
It was kind of fun. Shit. Oh, look,
all right, there we go.
Now.
Celine fan club. All right, let me read this one out to redeem it. Celine, simply wow. Your hair looks amazing on you. The earrings match the nail polish. And your smile is gorgeous. You're a rose in bloom. Every day you amaze me. Well, thank you so much, Celine fan club. I am so appreciative of you here. And the rest of you, learn to talk like that. Thank you. Anyway, moving on. Is that your mum? Someone said. No, I just have a fan club. Okay. All right.
Things you can do with AI, says Marcos.
Whatever.
Ah, shit. See, now it sounds like my treadmill wants to explode. You hear that?
Oh, yeah. What the hell? Did you change something? Did you switch the settings?
No, it just does that like 3 times every time I start it up. Then I have to stop it, start it again, then it does it again. And then I have to stop it again, then it does it again, and then it's fine for the day. It's always the same, I don't know.
I've got one of, you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to bring my treadmill up here and we're going to have a competition.
RJ says, Nick, it's 3 a.m. here in Florida. Just saw you on a TV commercial. What?
What?
What TV commercial?
It's not. It's clearly not the same Nick.
A Tradeify TV commercial? I'm confused.
Strange. Yeah, it would have to be.
Yeah. Wait, you said a treadmill competition?
Oh yeah, treadmill competition. Oh yeah.
As in what?
Maybe like who can do the most steps after the end of the stream?
Okay. What's the furthest you've ran?
We won't know what speed we're doing or anything like that, but whoever ends the most steps at the end of the stream.
Well, what's the furthest you've ran in your life?
You don't need to know that.
I'm just asking.
Oh, maybe like 5K.
Okay.
Shut up. I can do it. We're not running. We're walking. Only walking.
Well, you said the most steps, so.
Well, if you're happy to run the entire stream, go for it. I don't see that lasting.
No problem. Not a problem.
Okay, that will be hilarious if you actually do that. Chat, who wants to see Nick? Who wants to see Nick run the whole 2 hours?
This one can go is 6 kilometers per hour, so that's like the lame run, you know. I can do that.
Yes, you want to do that for 2 hours straight?
But I can also just walk it fast, you know. It's like whatever. I can do that.
This is hilarious.
Not an issue.
All right. Okay. I can do that.
The funny thing is, it's super loud. You can hear it, huh? It's annoying, actually. Going back to 2.5.
Yeah, it sounds like it's like pushing really hard.
Yeah, it is, because it's not made for that. It's not made for speed.
We like to see Celine.
I love how all the options that Roman gave in that poll are just wrong.
Wait, I can't see his poll. Where would it go?
Literally every single one is wrong.
Damn it, I can't see the poll.
Well.
All right. Chat, what are we thinking for NQ now? I was waiting for us to react in this 15-minute gap, and we did retrace into it, so I may look for a long here now, Nick. Just saying.
All right, do it. CPN Kyer says, why not talk about trades and structure instead of BS? Well, I'm in a trade right now. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to do a green team versus red team commentary, or?
Yes. We want commentary. We want commentary.
Lulu says, Nick now got to do a 10K marathon. Lulu, do you think before you speak?
even I wouldn't make that error. Maybe Colleen might.
10K marathon. Nice.
CPN Kai says, why did you take the trade?
Well, look left, zoom out, as we love to do. I'll even go to the 50 minutes so you see better. Okay. Boom. Look left, zoom out. Where are we on the canvas? Where are we? Very high. Okay. Way too high. So we short. You got to understand, this is not my final position. Okay. So if it goes higher, I'll add more. I'll go deeper into this trade. So you'll see.
You will see. I, on the other hand, am kind of looking for a long. Yes, famous last words. It's not the usual setup. So I'm just. I know I'm only going to trade this on evals. But I like it.
Austin, what's the furthest I have run? A marathon.
A 10K marathon?
I've done a couple marathons, but not 10K marathons.
Oh, okay.
But I won't do any more. Although, maybe one day I will do the Great World Race. Maybe.
The Great World Race? That would be epic.
Yeah, maybe that. But that will be my absolute very last time running a marathon, or 7 in this case. But I'm done with that shit. I don't like marathons. It's like, eh. Also, you've done 4 half marathons. Nice. Why did you stop after half? What did you say, Celine?
Like you did say you weren't going to run again, and then you ran that full marathon recently. So
yeah.
We don't really trust you.
Yeah.
We don't really trust you at this point.
It's kind of stupid. Suriluki is saying you're ignoring him again. It's not nice.
Oh, where is he? Suriluki. Yeah. Nick, okay, ask her again, ignoring me. That's terrible. Where is your... Suriluki, Celine, lunch today, don't say nothing, Nick. Okay, lunch today, I had... actually didn't get protein in my lunch today. I was out at a cafe and I had spanakopita, if you know what that is. It's a really nice... It's actually a Greek pastry. Spinach and feta cheese. Delish. No protein, though. Oops.
Russell is so nice recently. I like nice Russell. I like nice Russell. He's cool.
Oh yeah, what the hell?
Thank you, Russell.
That is such a nice comment.
Yeah. Oh, Austin, you're doing New York City Marathon? That's sick. That's one of the cooler ones, I'm assuming. The biggest one I've done was the Toronto Marathon. So that was pretty cool, but New York City must be nice.
Why have so many people done marathons and I haven't even done like a 10K run?
That's fine. You don't have to. It's not even worth it. Oh, Grandpa, don't you worry. We're not hiding. You're old, falling apart. You're broken. I'm not scared of you.
I got tapped into the long, by the way. I am entering it off a 1 minute FVG after a market structure shift and a reaction out of the 15-minute FVG.
Oh, you're in longs?
We'll see.
Dang, chat. She's fading me.
I know.
She's fading me. But with your target and stop size, I don't really care about this fade. Like if it hits your target, I'm completely fine in my trade.
Yeah, you'll stay in it. That's why it's gonna work. We'll be fine.
It's just half fading, basically.
Yeah, not a full fade.
Nah. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Abhishek, good morning. My day is going great so far. How is yours? Russell says,
CP
so
and cash.
question. What if my stop loss that was buying long triggered this morning at the bottom of the dump filled and I woke up to $6,000 in gains? Does this count? So wait, you have $6,000 in gains for the day? I mean, gains are gains. Drop says, little grandpa can still move around 500 pounds per paint tank. My grandson. Cool. Good for you, man.
Cyriliki says, there we go, Cyriliki. I read your comment first before Nick. At Nick, when sushi.
Ooh, I had pizza last night. That was great.
Ooh, which pizza?
Hawaiian, of course.
Yeah.
But sushi, maybe? Oh, I think on Sunday. Because a couple friends are joining my fiance and me on for one of the High Rocks trainings. And then probably after we're going to go for sushi.
Nice. Oh, when is your High Rocks, the actual competition?
Oh, that's in October. That's still far out.
Oh, you got months to train. Okay.
Yeah.
Jesse James saying, interesting entry. How do you enter when the FVG wasn't respected? I entered with the buy limit. So I know that there are 2 1-minute FVGs right against each other here on the 1-minute chart. So I was okay with the first one inverting, with the idea that we could retrace into this second 1-minute FVG also. So I was prepared for a deeper retracement. That's why my stop was below this swing point. And yeah, still happy with that based on the 1-minute structure, that is, in high time frame. I'm really in this trade because I was waiting to see this 15-minute reaction. So since we tapped into this 15-minute gap, held that midpoint, I was happy to take that off for 1 minute execution there.
Aha, it says, I don't know whose trade to take. You take your trades. We're not a signal service. Don't follow what we do. You do you. Yeah, Brandon, you said it. You said it too, I just saw. Austin, no, I'm actually been going slower. 2.5 kilometers per hour. But since I started walking, I already got 1,000 steps, so it's doing its job, you know? It's doing its job. Zod.
Thanks, Jesse James.
Jesse James. I mean, Jesse James, if you're not taking part in the Grand Cup with that name, then I don't know anymore.
Yeah.
Jesse James, the gunslinger. No.
Hello from Malaga. Sick.
Nice.
Malaga.
Spain. Een kleine Spaniokkel. Sheriff Russell. Yeah, you can change your name. Cheever Cheer, isn't that a Pokemon character? Jesse James?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, that's what I think of. I always think of the Pokemon, like the bad guys.
Oh, you mean Team Rocket?
Yeah, Team Rocket. Jesse James. I always think of Team Rocket.
But it's not a Pokemon.
These guys, yeah.
They're human.
Well, you know what I mean. Team Rocket.
Today we're gonna reveal more outlaws. Let's see who we're gonna reveal today.
Please don't share it on the screen.
No. I'm on the Grand Cup page. Go to my screen really quick, Roman. So we have 3 more. We have 4 with hats and this guy.
Oh, I need to see that guy because he's the one that's been confusing me this whole time.
Yeah, I thought it was you, this one, but
nope.
Okay, so 5 more. 4 hats, 1 no hat. Let's see.
Some people think the one next to Jen is Joey.
This one? No, because where's the fishing rod?
True. And I feel like it would be an injustice to put a hat on his bald head.
True.
Oh, maybe the one next to that guy is Joey, because he doesn't have a cowboy hat.
Now this one maybe looks like Drew, and then this one right here could be Roman, because our producers are not yet revealed, right? And we have Roman, we have Drew, we have Colin. So
well, that's 3.
Yeah,
that
but
would
then
make
we also have the new producer, which I forgot the name, and I think we have a 5th one too. So it would add up.
Imagine that.
Jimmy says Nick is the last one. No, I'm up here.
Nick is already revealed.
I'm up here.
He's lame. No cowboy hat.
Wow. Straight to my heart.
Yeah. Just a little stab.
Carl says nobody finds it hilarious that it's not Jen in the picture. Wait. It is Jen. What are you talking about?
What? You guys don't make sense.
What are you talking about, sir?
Roman put a poll in the chat. Are you guys bullish or bearish?
Are you guys Mr. or Mrs.? Why did I just click bullish if I'm in a short?
Hell yeah, because
I just clicked somewhere. Whatever.
You know I'm right.
Wig Sweeper, where's Amos? Dude, do you have freaking tomatoes on your eyes? Right here. Right here. For Mog Maxing.
Sesame, how does Celine shine so much? What's your skincare, Celine? Drop the sauce. Well, there is a lot of lighting going on here to make that shine. Other than that, basic skincare, guys. Literally a cleanser. Less is more. I don't put a lot on my skin. Less is more. A cleanser and then a moisturizer and an oil. That is all you need. But I will say the lighting helps. Yes.
Little kiss. Funny. Jesse James says, can't short all-time highs. Rule number 1 in trading. I don't know where you bought your rule book, but it's pretty shitty rule book.
I missed a clean setup with that rule book. That would have printed had I taken it. So not true. It's got to come down at some point, guys. Oh, there is a nice pop on NQ. Oh, is it going to do me like that again?
Why? You're in longs, so you're good.
Yeah, but TP1 was just a tick away. There we go. All right, TP1 smash. Let's get the money gun out. Woo! TP1.
Hey, it works. Look at that.
Yeah, I got those batteries.
Your money gun is like the McDonald's ice cream machine. Sometimes
okay, hold on. 598.50. The rest will go break even. And we'll see if we can get up to that previous 4-hour high. All right. Push Wookie, first time in a month it worked when you needed. I know. It's something to do with the batteries. I'm just going to have to swap the batteries out or something. Do something about that. Wait, Pericle says, first time I saw Money Gun working, I knew he had been in 1 month. Well, that's kind of sad. Because there was a time where the Money Gun worked every single day. And then something must have happened in the flight from Bali to Australia where it just hasn't been the same since. Kimanga, Linda, and Celine, you trading NQ or MNQ? How many contracts? I'm trading NQ. And that was 2 contracts. You can see.
Pericle says, I always steal batteries from my kids' toys or remote controller. That's funny. Celine Fan Club, why does Nick have small cheekbones? Has he had any anti-wrinkle treatments? What? I have so many wrinkles. If I had anti-wrinkle treatment, that would have sucked.
Imagine that. Paying like thousands for someone to say, what are those wrinkles? No, guys, what the hell? I don't see it. Swollen cheekbones? I think they're just called cheeks. What is swollen cheekbones?
I'm just fat.
Don't let them talk like that to you, Nick.
Hey, you know, we got some crazy people in the chat. Celine, remember this guy who asked a question and I gave him the answer and he wouldn't accept it?
No, but
and then he kept spamming and everything.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the story continues. He sent me actual death threats. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Like, guys,
we banned.
Just for clarification, if I ever say something on stream, if I ever troll you or anything, it's just jokes, okay? It's not that serious.
That guy, no, he must have had other issues to take it.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, the all-time high guy. Was it the all-time high guy?
Oh yeah, that one.
Someone's like, "Where's the all-time highs?" Yeah, he started.
No,
he started
multiple messages that he's gonna come to my place and gonna kill me and beat me up. And I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. There's some crazy people. So whatever I say, guys, don't take it seriously. We're just trolling.
That is so extreme, though. Some people need to just have a reality check. Like,
yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Damn. Oh my gosh, I probably would never have come on stream again. You're brave. I, on the other hand, if someone sent me threats, I probably would have left.
I mean, look, if he comes to my place, I'll just set my treadmill to 10 kilometers an hour and I'll run.
The cats will get him.
Yeah. If you get that angry because of all-time highs, I don't know. You have problems in your life that are
that's just a him problem.
Probably should be resolved first.
Did you respond to him?
No. I banned him. I blocked him everywhere. So if you're listening, Mr. All-Time High, then get some help.
Yeah, for real.
So then you go on, Nick, where's the all-time high? And then if I give you the answer, you're going to say, no, it's not true. You're lying.
Could you imagine him at his desk that day? Like, he would have been running around, like, throwing things around his house. Like, where are the all-time highs?
Like fucking Patrick or something from SpongeBob. Mo says, Nick, you don't have wrinkles. You're a big, beautiful girl. Oh, thank you.
What?
Andrea, do you still have the messages? Can we see? I do have them, but I'm not going to show you. But they're bad.
No, we don't need
that. Pretty bad.
We can assume how bad it would have been.
Yeah. Okay, NASDAQ, what are we doing?
Okay.
Come on, go fill Celine's TP and then drop it like it's hot.
Yes. Are you planning to add if it gets there? 636. We'll do an exchange.
What level would that be?
636.
No, not interested.
No. Meow, 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 meow. The question is, should I leave my contract for all-time highs? Or should I just be normal?
Ooh, is Celine gonna be greedy today?
Well, I mean, like, we've locked in the profits. Now's the question of where do we hold till? I like these equal highs. No, I'm going to leave it. 636. If it wants to go higher, it goes without me. Whatever.
Fernando says, Nick, you don't have to answer. People can say whatever they want to keep your high confidence. Oh, I will. Don't worry. I'm used to this kind of shit, you know? It's fine. It's fine.
All right, Sudip says, let's leave it, Celine. Let's make our winners count. All right, Sudip. Jesse James, don't be a bear in a bull market. Go for it, Celine. Well, I'm not a bear as such, but I just want to take the profits off, you know. It's a decent move. It'd be around 38 points. But, like, could I put a trailing in there? Leave it run. We'll see. I'm going to see how it reacts at that level. I might just manually close. So did we get those poll results in? How is the... All right, so 78% feeling bullish, 22% bearish. That is interesting. The past couple of days, we've been very like 50-50. But today seems there is some more bulls than bears.
Nick is short. It's Jeff, beloved. Kinda. I'm not that tall. Did you see Miriam's picture with Kane?
No. Oh, that would have been hilarious though.
It's the funniest shit ever. Look, I'll show you. It's actually in the... look at this.
Oh, Miriam.
Oh shit! I mean, Kane is tall.
Kane
He's
is
very
really tall, to be fair.
But then Miriam is really is not really tall, so it's even funnier. I mean, for Kane, I interviewed Kane once, and we were standing in front of a staircase, and I had to go one step up to just be at the same height.
Oh my god! Yeah, he is extremely tall.
Pratish says he's asking whether you are shorting. Oh, I didn't get that. Thank you for your explanation.
Oh, you should have specified.
Yes, I'm in shorts.
Not pants today?
No what? No pants?
You said you're in shorts. I'm saying you're not wearing pants today.
Well, I'm wearing shorts as pants. I'm not wearing no pants.
Clearly, shorts and pants are two different things. Pants are the long ones. Shorts are the short ones.
Sí, señor.
Yes, pantalones. It's different to shorts, you idiot. You
Damn.
Absolute idiot.
I call you blonde, you go off stream, you call me idiot. I'm still here. See the difference?
Good. That's nothing. Is he trading without a stop loss? Capo Bloodshot. He is absolutely trading without a stop loss. What do you think?
Hey, you're about to hit TP, Roman. Let's go to Celine's screen.
Oh. We'll see. ES is back at Asia High. There is like definitely a big difference in NQ and ES today. That's pretty much back up at ES's all-time high, but NQ is still struggling to get to its Asia High here. So we'll see if NQ can find the strength. What is this hostility from Celine? You guys think this is me being hostile? So on the one hand, I'm too nice and need to step up my game with my trash talk. And on the other hand, this person thinks I'm too hostile. Make up your mind, Stan. That is nothing.
Well... I'm just gonna be quiet.
Yes, you are. Jonathan says, Nick, upgrade the AI. It's getting back chatty. I have to stick up for myself here, Jonathan. AI is getting smarter each day. Celine do a flip. Wait, I love that Nick actually muted himself. All right, you can come back. I don't like talking to myself. Oh no. Here we go. God voice incoming in 3, 2, 1. And now he's gonna troll me and not do it. Come on, God. Nick! Type 2 if you can't hear Nick. Jimmy, right? Nick is such a clown. I couldn't have said it better myself. Nick, you can come back in the stream now.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What?
You probably spent all that time trying to find that.
No,
soundboard.
I know my soundboard buttons. You know it.
Okay.
Well, except one I didn't know.
Oh yeah, that good one.
That one button I didn't know what it is. Well.
But now we know. Oh, Austin Futures Trading. Did we hit 400? It was 430 likes. Don't even try to get me with the 420. It was 430. So let's check. What are we at?
Damn,
427.
Lior Grossman is laughing his ass off. Hell yeah.
Oh, that's the
Options
guy who
Trader
loves...
K says language guys. What?
Huh?
Yeah, Quacker, that's true. Wait, did we hit the like goal for the giveaway or what?
In one more like we will. So let's get the form happening. Ready? Yep, we smashed it. 438 likes.
Okay. Good. Chat. You know, today for the giveaway, if you want to participate, I'll explain the rules once. If you ask me after that how to participate in this giveaway, you will get super duper mega hyper giga disqualified. So don't do that. The rules are: you have to like the stream, the actual thumbs up button below the video. You have to subscribe to the channel, okay? And then once I send you the link to the Google form, Lulu, you're disqualified. You know the rules. Once I give you the link to the Google form, you fill out that Google form, but only once. If you ask me where the Google form is, like Lulu, you will get disqualified in any way, shape, or form. If you ask me how my form is, how the Google form is, what a Google form is, where form Google is, it doesn't matter. I'm going to ban you from that giveaway. So don't do that, okay? So sending you the Google form in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck,
Lulu,
everybody.
I think Lulu has like a, I don't know, like a kink for getting disqualified or something.
What? No, I think Lily must just have too many accounts, right? Because she just doesn't want any part in the giveaways.
Yeah, well.
Where's Google born?
Wealthy in healthy. Well, Lulu knows quite well what those giveaway rules are. Okay, so nope. Trader King says Google Hoop. Okay, that one is good. That one is good.
Is that form in Swiss? Google Hoof.
No, Google Hoop is like you spell it differently, but look, I'll show you. Let's go to my screen, Roman. That's a Google Hoop.
Oh, yum.
But instead of Google, he just spelled it Google.
Google, yeah.
It's kind of funny.
Oh, that cake looks delicious.
Yeah, it's actually good. It's really good.
Is it like dry. a lemon cake?
It's a bit dry, but it's not bad. Sion says, it's always good to see Nick and Celine. Hey, it's always good to see you.
Hey, we love being here every day because of you, Sion.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have one of those instead of pizza, Jonathan?
It's not lemon, though. It's not lemon.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looks like a lemon pound cake. Oh, lemon pound cake is so good. Damn it.
Never heard of that.
You got to try it. It's really good.
Where can I get it?
Good question. Can you get lemon pound cake in Switzerland? Maybe you have another name for it. Oh, it's a beloved staple in Switzerland. Huh.
What?
Getranke citron cake.
Oh, yeah, that one's good. Yeah. I understood.
Like
I understood what he said.
Ah. Yeah, I said it right. Getranke citron. Oh,
well, you didn't say it right. It's getränkte Zitronenkuchen, but I understood what he meant.
Yeah, well, that was it.
Getränkte Kornkuchen. Francis,
I
hola.
swear that's what it sounds like.
Jonathan says, I'll take one of those as well. My absolute favorite, though, Schwarzwälder Torte.
Oh, well, it's a tart. Torte is tart, right? Torte.
I guess. Look, I'll show you. It's the best.
Show
It's
us.
literally the best. It's the goated of goats.
Oh, Black Forest cake.
Yeah,
That's not a tart.
Schwarzwald is Black Forest. Schwarz is black
Ugh.
and Forest is Wald. Yeah.
Yeah? No, that's my worst cake.
Marcel is unprofitable. That's a fucking awful username, but no, ich bin nicht Deutsch. Ich bin nicht Deutsch, aber ich kann Deutsch. Ich bin aus der Schweiz. Aus der Schweiz? Ja.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. Bip, 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 bip.
Good morning is Destiny Samson. Good morning, good morning.
Oh, we're getting those steps up, chat. We're getting those steps up.
What are you at?
3,400 for the day. We're getting somewhere. I'll be at around, let me guess, around 10K-ish by the end of the stream.
Not bad, not bad.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Frankfurter Kranz is the best. Kranz. What's that?
Frankfurter Kranz.
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 It's... Oh, Google doesn't even like that. Frank.
Chat, we've been in this trade since, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. An hour, and it's a break even. Ay,
Indeed. I almost came to break even just then as well.
Well. All right, let's run the giveaway, shall we?
Yes, let's do it, because Enki's being boring.
All right. Copying everybody over, but first I need to check if there were no stupid people in here.
Well, Lulu doesn't get to be in there.
Nope. If Lulu wins, we double it and give it to the next person. All right.
Mm-hmm. That's fair. Let's do this.
That is fair. All right. First giveaway winner of the day, Thursday, 14th of May, 2026 on Tradeify TV with 111,000 subscribers is Deshaun.
Deshaun.
Type something
Deshaun.
in the chat. Deshaun. Type something in the chat.
Can we get a Deshaun in the chat?
Deshaun in the chat.
Wait, let's find him first. Is he here?
Well, we'll see. Deshaun says merci. Merci. All right, nice. Now, Deshaun, let's see what you win. I'm gonna add a growth account. I'm gonna add select accounts. I'm gonna add lightning funded accounts, and then we're gonna spin all wheels. Spinning. Deshaun, you get.
Oh.
Ooh.
Deshaun.
You get 100K. You get 100K select account, Deshaun. So all you gotta do, Deshaun, is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure, Deshaun, that it's your actual Tradeify login email. And then, Deshaun, we're gonna send you your free account within the next 7 days.
Congratulations, Deshaun. Deshaun, enjoy.
You know, Celine, I gotta give you that. You're funny. I like streaming London with you. You're funny.
Woo! There we go, chat. He said something nice.
Sometimes I do that.
Get that on. We got to get that on clipped, Roman.
You know it. You know when I do that, I mean it.
Or something bad's gonna happen soon. He's gonna be like,
or that.
No, I don't know. But you know what, Nick? Thank you. I appreciate it. I think you're funny too. How about that? I think you're funny.
Look at that, chat. Brother and sister sometimes do love each other, you know?
Oh, you know what just happened? I just got stopped break even.
Well, you hit PP1 first.
It is what it is. Yes, we did.
I mean, you won half your trade. Deshaun won 100K select account. So it's pretty good. Pretty good.
It's a good day for Tradeify TV
Oh,
and
yeah.
Deshaun. Can everyone go into the New York stream today and just
type
ask where
Deshaun.
Deshaun is?
I'm not going to be on New York stream today, but maybe I'll just go into the back room, unmute my mic, and go like Deshaun.
Yeah, me too. I'm just gonna join. Don't worry, break even. It's because Deshaun. What? Whenever anything bad happens in trading now, it's just Deshaun. All right. Well, it is what it is.
That's true. I gotta open my door really quick. I gotta circulate some air. I feel there's no oxygen in here.
Oh no, we don't want you to pass out there.
Wow, and we're back.
And
Roman is on his game today. Look at that. He took me off, boom, like this, and then brought me back, boom, like this.
Oh. Andre is spot alone today, Nick, or is Miriam joining?
It's actually going to be spot alone. I don't know. Maybe he's going to have a guest, but I think he wanted to do alone. Wait, let me check. Yeah, no. He's going to be alone. He's going to be alone. Just missed the spot.
The spot himself for 3 hours with you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Please, Lulu, that has to be the stream where you get him because he is going to be tired and exhausted towards the end of the session. So, Lulu, Mo, if you're listening, you have to get the spud today.
Yeah, that would be funny. That would be funny. Andrea says he's lying. He just went for a high five. Yeah, a really quick one, though. No, actually, Andrea, I'm home alone. So.
But the cats. Oh no! Wait, that's.
Whoa! Yo! Pause! No!
Bye.
No! Bro,
that was not called for. That was a very Colleen comment. Colleen.
Oh, shit.
Oh god.
Oh god.
But these guys don't know. These guys don't know, do they?
But you know who knows?
Who knows?
Deshaun.
That will never get old. Oh my god.
Mountain says, well, Spud described himself last night as phenomenal. He won't fall for such traps. I doubt it.
Phenomenal in his accent. Phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Oh, my shorts are working out here. Look at that.
Let's go. All right. So it did work. So I took my TP and now we can dump. Now you can take your TP.
Yeah. Yes, please. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Chicken LGPs. Deshaun asked them to pass your full username to internal team. What?
What?
Wait, is Deshaun having problems?
Deshaun, you got a problem?
What's your problem?
What?
Okay, stop.
Will Spud be Deshaun?
It's so fun to say.
Yeah, God, I see the next death threats coming in my inbox. We gotta stop.
Why? We said nothing.
Because we're making fun of Deshaun. Well, we're not really making fun of you, just to be clear. Deshaun.
No way. That is like the goated name of all names. All right, let's get back to the charts. Nick, I think TP incoming soon for you. This is a nice drop.
We're only 40 points in profit. We need 100. So
let's go. Almost halfway there. Believe.
Gotta believe. Or something like that.
Something like that. But just gotta manifest that, you know? Manifesto baddie. She left. She never came back. That manifesto baddie.
Manifestation baddie. Baddie patati. That's from Sputnik's intro.
Betty
This is
Daddy.
9 a.m. UK volume here. Tokyo Stock Exchange close.
Do you believe in love? What indicators is Nick Tater using? Patrick Barra says.
Right now, it's just 120 EMA and a 200 EMA on this chart. Carl, do you ever add Nick? Yes, but only if I'm in drawdown. Never ever in profit.
Question, speaking of Patrick, did you hear back from Patrick yesterday?
I did.
Where has he been?
Good that you bring that up. Okay, chat. I'll give you an update on Mr. Patrick, Pancake Patty. All right, so I reached out to him, sent him that video, right? And he sent me back a pic of his feet.
He did not.
He did. He did indeed. Look.
He didn't say anything else?
You need proof?
What, he doesn't miss Tradeify TV?
I'll show you. He's in Marrakesh right now. Look. Send him the video.
His feet. All right, we need context.
Send him the video. He sent me a free feet pic. And I said, okay, you're excused then.
Including free feet. That's funny.
And then
maybe he didn't want all of us to see his feet, Nick. He might have wanted us to pay for that.
And then we zoomed in and we saw something here in the background, like right above his feet, but right here. You see this? You know what this is?
No.
It's his friend. Okay? It's his friend. I'll show you. I'll show you. 1 second. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Waiting.
Yeah. Here. It's his watermelon friend.
What is going on?
It's his watermelon friend.
Press play. That is so weird.
So this is why Patrick is not on stream, I guess.
What is going on? Oh my gosh. He's excused.
His girlfriend. Yes.
What is going on, Patrick?
Yeah, so that's why Pancake Patty isn't on stream. So the next time Pancake Patty is gonna be on stream in the chat, make sure call him out and say, yo, Patty, you got some nice feet right there. And also, I like your watermelon friend. Okay. So next time Patrick Justin is in the chat, do this, please.
It is funny. Shorts are printing here. Getting closer and closer to that TP.
Yeah.
501 is your TP. All right, still need a 60-point drop.
Far away. I mean, if I had my look, Celine, it's funny that you say it's close because look, this is what it would look like if I had my charts like you. I'm not over exaggerating. Go to the 1 minute. Have them like you.
Look at that.
This is what it would look like. Sheesh. And you say we're close.
Printing, dumping, dumping. Enki was dumping. Sheesh.
So yeah. This is what I look at the charts like. We chilling. We are chilling in this.
Trader Marku. Actually, Trader Marku, I feel like we haven't seen you in the chat for a while either, Trader Marku. But
true.
You ask a very good question. Where is your stop loss, Nick? Hey, is this on a funded evals?
This is on an eval.
Okay. I'll allow it.
But I would do it on a funded too. It doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, we've seen that as well. Amir says the stock market crashed on Celine's charts. The 1 minute looks wild, like World War III. What's happening?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Russell's letting you know, just to beware, that he is about to long. He says, I'm about to long it, Nick. If we get a green 5-minute closing candle, just to let you know.
No, why you doing this, brother?
If you feel like fading him, Nick, let us know. But
Russell, go ahead. Go ahead. Fade me. Buddy. Damn. What kind of plane was that?
no, that was a sports car. Could you hear that?
Yeah.
That's got to be some sort of sports car.
Sounded like a plane.
No. Well, it wasn't.
Yep. That's how plane sounds.
Exactly how a plane sounds. Right near my window here.
Mm-hmm. Russell says I broke my rules. Just long. Mario Kart King says sounded like a bike. You might be right, actually.
Actually, yeah, would have been. Speaking of cars, I have a friend at Mercedes, and I'm got a car to basically rent for the time I'm in Melbourne, and it's sick.
Nice. What kind
Really
of car?
sick.
You have a pick?
The GLE 300.
GLE 300. Okay, let's see. GLE 300.
It's like a... Yeah, but the newest model. It had 0 Ks on it. It's crazy.
That's nice.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. It's like a sports car. It's like
Celine balling, guys.
It's like a soccer mom car. So
Celine
sick.
is a baller. Look at that.
I might have to flex on the Instagram, guys, but it's not mine. I don't own it. But it's
Lior is still laughing about the you're not going to be profitable for 7.5 months thing. That God.
That was ages
Hey, I'm glad
ago.
it made you happy, Lior. I'm really glad it made you happy. Sam09Q says, "Hey Nick, I made a song for you. How do I send it to you?" Send it to me on Instagram at NickMTrades.
Oh, I hope it's good. Good morning, Sir Lenesk. First time here. Welcome to Tradeify TV, where it all goes down. The good, the bad, the ugly.
Well, no, now it's going up.
Well, look, I still believe in your trade, Nick. It'd be rude not to. I believe in the shorts.
Sam09Q, MP3 does not go through Insta. Well, then upload it to Google Drive and send me a link or something like that.
Google.
Hey, Leia. What's up?
She says, I'm not around in case you're wondering. Just came to say that out with the family. Thanks for popping in, Leia. We miss you. We need these guys to like the stream.
What I'm hearing is I can't pay attention to the stream because I'm practicing Mario Kart for tomorrow so I don't lose like every other time, is what I'm hearing. But enjoy time with your fam.
Leia, don't worry. Enjoy the time out with your family. Don't worry about him. Russell is a market maker.
Looks like it, huh? Oh, we're at 4,366 steps. We're getting somewhere.
Hey, I just realized we didn't set a second like goal.
True. Let's make it 7-11.
Done. 7-11. We're 5:53.
Yep.
Right now.
5:53.
7-Eleven is the name of petrol stations here in Melbourne.
Well, 7-Eleven is a very known store in the US.
Oh, I wasn't sure if you know what 7-Eleven is, you Swiss person.
You Swiss person. Is that supposed to be a compliment or an insult?
You take it how you want. Or should I say you Germanic Celtic person? Haha.
Wow.
Celtic. with the
999. Patrick says, by the way, I just started on my trading journey doing evals right now, and the goal is to provide for my family always. I just discovered your guys' channel 5 minutes before London open. You guys are great. I can confidently say I will be tuning in on future streams. Patrick, these kind of comments make our day. So hell yeah. Welcome to Tradeify TV. I'll take a big fat screenshot of that right now, and then I'll send it to our team so we can brag.
Yay. No, we love that, Patrick. We hope you tune in every day. And if you're just starting your journey, of course, you can drop in questions, anything. Sometimes we can be serious here and we can actually answer your trading questions. But
oh, yeah. You just got to ask.
We love having you. You just got to ask.
Just got to ask, you know?
Sam said, can I send the link here? Is this to the song? You can probably send the Google Drive link here, can you?
No, we're not going to be able to see it. Nobody can send links but us. Because imagine the fucking links that would get spammed
That is
in here.
true. Okay, yeah, that is true. Bogdan.
Everybody trying to plug themselves and shit.
Oh, yeah. Sir Lenesk. Hey, which asset is on the screen right now? I read the same. Are you using Ninja Trader? It's NQ on the screen, and he's using Tradesy.
Yeah, but I also use Ninja Trader. I like Ninja Trader. Sam says, I'm sending to your Insta, Nick. All right, nice. Let's see.
Marathon Sahiti. Do you guys consider the previous New York highs and lows as major support resistance? I don't usually, but there was a day this week. I think it was yesterday. We did have a strong reaction to New York highs. I can't recall, but it's for me, it's not always the case. It's not a key level I have drawn or that I chart up during the session, but from time to time will notice it there.
All right, Celine,
it's not a key level
I gotta mute myself real quick and listen to it just to make sure it's nothing bad. 1 second.
Okay, yeah, go for it. Hike Schumann says, I was in long, was in short, and now I'm done for the moment, waiting for news. Did you win both ways, shorting and longing? I mean, great job if you were able to take profits on the way up and the way down. Hell yeah. Chat, should we pretend like we heard the whole thing? Should we prank him and pretend that we heard the entire thing?
Yo, this shit is fucking fire.
Wait, we want to hear.
Well, I need to play the full thing first, then I can share.
Okay. I don't know what to expect, really. Damn it. Eddie, I went in long early and got stopped out at daily loss. I guess I'll take it slow for the forthcoming days. Damn.
And yes, I heard you the entire time, just saying.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I thought so. Type 2 if you can't hear me, you know? I went, you know what, Eddie, that's kind of sad. I hate that. Daily loss limit. I hate when that takes me out. That took me out the other day on stream. So just start trading small the next few days and slowly get yourself back in there. Wood chopper closer short at previous day high. Nice trade. Well done. It does look like we came to that previous day high level and reacted cleanly off there. Nick's probably like, shut up, Celine, because I can't hear the song. Russell is banking. Russell, how many bans you up right now, Russell? Be honest.
This shit is fire, dude. That's sick.
We need to hear it now.
All right, I'll play it. 1 second. 1 second. I need to put it on this screen. The song is called Nick on Stream. All right, here you go. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's pretty dope.
Wait. Who made this?
It's fire.
Oh, it's got like a little Afro beat.
It's good.
This is sick. Wait, this is a banger, guys. Whoever made this, I want one.
Somebody said make it the London intro. Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah, but you need to add me in there, huh?
Yeah, we might
that
need
is
one with,
actually
we might need
fire.
one with Celine and me for an intro.
It's just like Nick and Celine on stream.
We're just gonna add Nick and Celine on stream.
And Celine. Wait, that
On
is fire.
stream,
Nick,
like,
send that to
you're
the
a
chat.
legend. You're a legend.
You have to send that
That's
to the back. You have to send it to the Slack chat. That's actually fire. Everyone's gonna want one after this.
I'll send it here. Wait. 1 second.
Nick on stream. Dun, 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 dun. It actually like it's kind of catchy.
That's nice. It's nice.
Sam, how long did that take you? Nick on... Damn it, that's gonna be stuck in my head.
Yeah. Yep. 100%.
All right, Russell is banking. Let's be honest, Russell. Where are you?
He already filled TP, so.
Oh.
If anybody wants to make a Nick and Celine or a Celine and Nick song, then
Oh
go
yeah,
ahead.
Celine and Nick, even better.
Or Celine
Celine
and
and-
Nick would be
and
pretty
Nick.
cool too.
Celine and Colleen and Mick. How about that?
Okay, make it Celine and Mick, and that's perfect.
No, we want our actual names. Colleen
This
and
is
Mick.
fire.
No, Colleen and Nisk.
And this. Oh boy. Well, you know what, Sanji? If you okay, let's do this.
What?
I'll send you a secret number on Instagram. If you type that number in the YouTube chat within the next 30 seconds, I'll give you a free 25k growth account for that song because you're a legend.
Whoa, wait, what's going on here?
The guy who made the song.
He's
Send
got to
him a
write a
number.
number in the chat.
Yep. I send it to
What
him on
if he does-
Instagram.
Did you do it?
There we go. There we go. All right.
Hell yeah.
Now, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and you're going to get a 25k growth account. Congrats.
Nice. Now everyone's going to go make songs.
Well, you're not just going to get a free account if you make a song now, because it was the original idea from Sen, you know? So.
I mean, one day, Sam, that could be on stream. Not gonna lie, it's kind of fire. Imagine that
is
as the
fire.
intro.
We Buy House UK says, AI song, sir. I don't give a fuck. He had an idea, he executed, and he got a free account.
AI is taking you over. You're either with it or you're gonna be behind.
Yeah. If I hear a
up.
fire song, I don't give a shit if it's made by a human or by a fucking robot.
Mm-hmm.
You guys don't care if you're watching a human or an AI on stream. So you're watching when Celine is on, you're watching when I'm on. So see, it's the same thing.
He has to add it in there. I think we've had enough.
Now watch somebody make an AI music video of us.
Yeah. That'd be kind of cool. You know what? I might be shorting this.
Oh, you're joining me on shorts?
Look at that 15-minute reaction there. I need the 1 minute inversion and then I'll take the short. Yes.
Adam, that's exactly what I just said. Celine is AI. That's correct.
Actually, I haven't heard that for a while here. I haven't heard it for a while.
Well, it's just because I'm not introing you anymore.
You know what? Nick Tater, potentially end of June. All will be revealed.
Oh, the paddle battle, huh?
No, paddle battle isn't end of June.
Why not? When we meet up, of course it is gonna be then. Like, what the fuck?
No, we didn't say that. We said later in the year. End of June is no. I didn't agree to end of June.
What? Why not? Are you scared?
I haven't trained that much. I need a bit more training. Yes.
Oh man. Okay, chat. This is never gonna happen.
That's
what I meant. Okay, send over the 250k lightning fund. It's fuck the battle bet. You're not gonna take it. I know it. I knew it, chat. I fucking knew it. I trusted her, but nope.
I'm happy to have the paddle battle, but we said let's find a date in the later end of the year. June is literally next month.
So what? Are you not confident?
I'm gonna be busy. How about that?
I mean, you better be confident betting 10k.
I'm confident, but I'm busy. Okay, I need to find time for that paddle battle.
I'm busy. I don't have time to play some paddle.
Keep walking like that. That Roman, can you just?
What?
Yeah, do it. What was that? Which walk?
Oh man. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Fuck.
Jonathan, there's no bullshit excuses here at all. At all. Okay? I don't have time in June. I don't have time in June. Does Deshaun have time?
Deshaun always have time, okay? Oh shit. Yeah, Mo, I gotta cancel my honeymoon. That's right. She will not be paying. Fuck.
She will not be paying because she will not be losing. That's right. Telling the time is now. The time is not now. I will tell when the time is, and it's not now. The rest of you, shut it.
Yeah, that's a good point, Jonathan. For 20k, Celine, you said you would win. You should make time. Like, when do you make 20k? When do you make 20k in an hour?
Well, you don't know what I make an hour.
I do not. That's correct. So that's why I'm asking. When do you make 20k an hour?
Every day.
Every day. Okay. Okay. So we got to bet more?
No.
Why not? We're gonna make it worth your time. You know, I don't want to waste your time. We're gonna make it worth your time.
I'm happy with what we agreed to. Are you?
Well, I'm more than happy.
I am ecstatic with what we agreed to. Let's keep it like that.
You seem very ecstatic. Like, oh, I don't have time.
Just shut it, Nick. Guys, let's talk about the charts because I'm about to enter a trade.
Well, I'm already in a trade. I got time to talk.
Well, I need some time just to focus here. I'm going to enter a sell. There is a SMT happening with ES, and we are having the displacement reaction on the 1 minute that I usually look for after the sweep of the previous 15-minute high, as well as the previous 4-hour high, but it is dropping fast here. Need to get in. Oh, man. Tap me in. I've got a limit there now instead. All right. Order is on. Nick, I will see you at the paddle battle later in the year. Okay. What is that? It's just not focusing. Thanks,
I know it's out of focus. Give it time. Chill.
Brother, if I don't get filled on this short, it's all your fault.
Come on now. Focus.
Moment's gone, Nick.
I know it, Roman!
Don't talk to Roman like that. Roman, don't let him talk to you like that. She's lying, Herman. It says she's lying. No, I just got missed on this shot, damn it. Nick. Stop with your antics.
Oh man. I really thought you would take that bet, but apparently not.
But instead I took that trade. Haha.
Well,
I'm in the shorts.
nice. Now my trade's gonna lose.
Oh no, don't say that. No.
Nah. We're gonna be fine, but
But let's be honest, we're cooked.
no, let's be honest, you're not gonna take the bet. And I thought I'm gonna make an easy 10K. Then I doubted it, so I made you confirm it on stream. We have a recording of it, and you're still not taking it. That's incredible.
What? Taking what? Look, I can listen now. I have the orders on what? What is it?
That you're not taking the paddle battle.
I am. We are doing the paddle battle. What part of we're doing it later in the year did you not understand?
Well, there's a high chance we're meeting in June. Perfect. Why wouldn't we do it then?
Because I'm gonna be busy in June.
With what?
So you expect Claudia and Chicken to also clear their schedules on one day
I will
because
pay.
we can have a
I
paddle
will
battle.
pay for Chicken's flight to come. That's how much I believe in this.
And poor Claudia has to clear her schedule.
Well, that's your problem. That's your team partner. I don't give a shit. You want the 20K or no?
Oh, I will take the 20K, but I will take it on my time when I'm ready. And
Mo?
I'm saying that's not
Mo?
June.
You're right, Mo. Kako. Celine always chickens out.
Mo, you're on thin ice. Also, nice
No.
new profile pic.
Yeah. Jonathan, that's right. She's making lying excuses in June. Yeah.
Guys.
Okay,
You
so
just love, everyone loves to get on the bandwagon with Nick whenever he says something, but there's no logic in it.
no,
I
that's not
said,
true. That's not true.
Nick,
It's just about you cacoing, you know?
I'm not
So-
cuckooing.
So
I'm not
Celine,
cuckooing. Okay, I said, we're going to do the paddle battle, but we're going to
Okay,
do
when?
it later in the year.
Give me a date. When?
I don't know. I have to look at my schedule.
Okay, look at your schedule.
Okay.
No rush.
All right. Let me take this trade first.
You are in the trade already. You have the order set. You said you got time, so look at your schedule.
Why is he allowed to boss people around like this, chat? Why do you guys encourage this?
I'm the dictator.
Also, it's not just my schedule. Okay, I have a teammate. I need to speak to Claudia.
God.
Good morning, Fractal Firm. Good morning. I love that he just said good morning to me. Not you. Kiz, thank you, Kiz. What, Nick? Or should I call you? Come. Oh my gosh, this guy.
Roman is singing in the background.
Roman singing in the back. Nick, you look very occupied there. What are you doing?
I'm not paying attention to you.
We're on stream, Nick. You could be a little nicer to the chat. Chat, how do you let him treat us like this?
I'm very
I mean,
nice to the chat. That's not the problem.
You can treat your co-host however you like, but don't ignore the
That's
chat.
what I'm doing.
Look, Chad, I will get back to you since Nick is ignoring you. Celine, your short is going to get smoked. Celine, do you still like the short? Celine, your cooks. I see all your comments, guys. All right. Yeah, we still like the shorts. Absolutely. I'm still in this trade for the same reason I took it. Mo, I just ate my 9-year-old's donut he was saving to eat after school. Oh, okay. Grandpa made $400, so he's ready for bed. Nick, seriously, who are you messaging? I know you're doing something.
Who do you think I'm messaging?
Chicken.
We'll see.
I hope you're not ruining Claudia's day. Poor Claudia.
In Switzerland we say, ich mach Nägel mit Köpf.
Selena, are you Mexican? No, but I can do the Mexican wave.
In 5 FPS. She's like...
Was it seriously like that? Or were you trolling?
No, it was actually like that. It was pretty funny.
That's so stupid. Oh, look, Roman. Ik maak meken weekproofed. Ik maak meken.
No. Joe, does Beatrice actually live in Switzerland? Yes. Yes, she actually does.
Mo says, Nick telling on Sling Daddy Simba gonna get the countdown. Oh,
bro. Oh, man. Oh, Celine, you're so fucked.
Why?
You are so fucked.
I'm
so
you're
not. So fucked, chat. She's so fucked. Like
how?
10 of 10.
I am not. I seriously am not. I don't care what you're about to say. I am not.
Okay, so I messaged Claudia and said, "Hey, when do you have time for the paddle match with Celine Chicken and me?" Now listen what she says. Chat. Celine is gonna be so fucked. Get your 10K ready.
Oh, no.
She says, "Hey, oh, we're actually doing it? I better learn the rules properly now."
Oh no, Claudia!
Yes!
Claudia,
Celine,
no.
So fucked. Get that 10K ready. Get that 10K ready.
Claudia, if you're watching, you've let us down already. Never reveal your cards like that to the enemy. All right, I need to do some work.
Oh fuck, Chad, that's so
damn it.
funny.
Claudia's been getting her training in, guys. Trust me. She's just trying to play. She's playing it off. You want the enemy to think you're weak. That's exactly what she's done, actually. It's all a facade.
Shit, this is amazing. That is
no, you don't get it, Nick. This is all games. This is all mind games.
$10,000 I've ever made, and the easiest 150K lightning funded that you have ever gotten, chat.
I'm sorry, but this is all. If you can't work out that this is all mind games, then
okay, Celine.
Maybe you're the boss.
Yeah, play your mind games. Have fun. Play your mind games. Have fun. So Claudia's saying you're actually very lucky. You're actually very lucky because she's saying she's not going to be here 21st to 24th of May and 18th to 30th of June, which is actually during that time period. So you're very lucky. But apart from those days, she'll be free. So now check your schedule. Because your excuse for not checking your schedule
December. That's when I'm next free. You asked me to check my schedule, and it's December's the next time I'm free. What's funny about that?
Chat, I'm really sorry. I wanted you guys to get those 150K lightning funded accounts. I'm really sorry that you're not getting them. I'm actually.
Oh, so you won't have the paddle match in December? Why are you scared? December 2039, I'm trying.
32nd of December is GRV Singh asking. Which December? What date?
We'll do the 13th.
13th of December. Okay. So
Play
you're
the
telling
schedule.
me, I'm hopping forward to December here. So you're telling me we're going to have the paddle battle on Sunday, 13th of December.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
I already knew it wasn't a stream day, see? I've considered the
Okay.
stream.
Good. So we're talking about December 13th, 2026, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So December 13th, 2026, where?
In London.
So in Brighton.
Oh, in Greece. In
said.
Greece, we can do it.
We said in Brighton with Claudia.
Okay, in Brighton with Claudia.
I mean, it can be in Greece too. I don't give a shit. Like you can decide.
We'll say. Do I feel like traveling in December? No, you guys can come to me. You guys can come to me.
Okay. So 13th of December, 2026 in Greece.
Yep.
What time?
Should we say like 11 a.m. mid-morning?
11 a.m.
I'll be fresh.
Weird. Okay.
Okay, what time? You asked me what time. What time do you want?
I don't care.
I can
I can
change
play.
the
I can beat you any day. Doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter. So 11 a.m. Cool. It's in my calendar. Do you have it in your calendar? You want to play best of 5 or best of 3?
Best of 5.
Best of 5. All right, cool. Chat, you heard it here. Gonna take a note, timestamp it.
Yep.
One
Go
second.
for it.
Timing was agreed on.
Yep.
Live.
Hi, Celine. New vote.
14.
You want me to say it? I can say it. You want me to say it live on stream now?
10:30.
Hi, Celine. New vote will verse you, Nick Metzger, in a paddle battle December 13th of 2026 in Greece this year.
And if you lose,
and if I lose, I will pay up $10,000, 10
US
lightning
dollars?
funded accounts to the chat, 10,000 US dollars, and 10 lightning funded accounts to the chat.
150k lightning funded accounts.
150k lightning funded accounts. But how do I know how? Oh no, we're only doing 10. We're doing 10 lightning accounts
To the chat.
Yeah, to the chat. And Nick, if you lose, go on.
If I lose in the paddle battle on December 13th, 2026 to Claudia and Celine with my teammate Chicken, then I'm gonna pay them, Celine and Claudia, $20,000 and I'm gonna give 20 150k lightning funded accounts to the chat. So,
There you go.
and we also agreed, now you gotta say that too, we also agreed we're gonna pay up that day. We're gonna bring it in cash. Good.
Okay, and full payment will be made in cash on the day, December 13th, 2026.
Good.
Happy, guys? Happy, Nick?
There we go, yeah.
Wait for it. There we go.
There we go.
The deal is done.
Dumbledore asking what is Chicken's cut? Well, he can create a separate bet with Claudia if he wants to, or with Celine. I don't care. I'll pay his flight, but the price is
No,
mine.
I'm happy with the bets. I'm happy with that.
Signed by chat. There we go.
There we go. Leo
Still in the
Grossman.
shorts, by the way. Back to the charts.
He's still in
Okay,
the
wait.
shorts.
I'll message Claudia. I'll tell her.
Poor Claudia got roped into this just because she happened to be on stream that day that we were talking about paddle. Oh yeah, and Gia, it is. It's a win-win for the chat. Either way, you guys are going to get lightning funded accounts.
Yeah. I'm sorry that I
that
take
is
10
great.
away from you guys, but... Oh, that's going to be a good IRL stream, I tell you that.
Oh, yeah. We have to stream that because I need you guys to witness this day, this momentous day. It's going to be great.
I'm not even going to play once until then.
Good. You want to vow to that too?
No, because maybe my brother asks me if I come play with him, and then I won't say no because I said it.
Okay, fine.
That would be dumb.
I'll allow it. All right, done. I'm glad we signed on that, chat. We are never. Let's all agree also that nothing can change from this day. That's everything set in place, and we move on.
So if somebody doesn't appear, what then? You have to pay the price. You immediately lose. If one doesn't appear, they immediately lose and have to pay.
Yeah, instant. Instant loss, disqualification, whatever you want to call it. Good. Happy. Good. All right.
Mark, I'll send a message to Chicken really quick.
Yep, send him a message. Let everyone know. Chat, you're more than welcome to join us as well at said given date. But we will in real life stream it.
Messaging.
Come on, NQ. Let's see a drop. Mo says I'm getting the prediction market bet set up. Oh no. I don't think I want to see those ads. Oh, volume coming in? Or is it just the 1 minute?
1 second. I'm messaging Chicken. Good.
Yo, Nick, please do a screenshot. I'm here to support Nick to win. And Gia, what? Romy, can we do a poll? Who is on Team Celine and who is on Team Nick? I need to see it in numbers.
Claudia says, wait, my birthday is the 11th of December, so there's a high chance I'll be hungover that Sunday. What about the week before?
We'll make it work.
Okay, so on...
That'll be...
It's going to be the 6th. Oh, that's my birthday.
It is not.
It is? 6th of December.
You're lying.
No, I'm not lying.
Excuses. He's lying.
I'm not.
Well, I guess it doesn't work then. What now?
Yeah,
well,
1 week earlier? 1 week earlier?
Yeah, give me the date. Which date?
That would be the 29th of November.
No. November's no good for me.
Wow. You're such a bullshitter.
I swear. November is not good for me, Nick. Make it work in December or it doesn't work at all.
What's happening on November 29th?
A lot. All right. Also, TP hit. TP smash. Let's go.
Come on.
Money. Like all that money I'm going to win when I smash Nick in paddle.
You got to set this up now. Tell me.
What?
Give me the date.
I told you the date. Let me see. Just wait. Let me check the schedule one more time.
And then we can do a week later, 20th of December.
All right, ask for the 20th.
No, I'm not going to be here on 20th of December.
Okay. Well, looks
29th
like...
of November. What's the problem with 29th of November?
We can make it the... All right, the 29th. I'll move some things around. Whatever.
Wow, Miss Busy, huh? All right, 29th of November. Done. Everything that we said before applies.
Chicken's in the chat. Celine, you better win in trading because that's your last stop before getting 6-0'd in battle 3 times. All right, Chicken. It's so on. It is so on.
So.
Yes.
Okay. Claudia agreed on the 29th.
Chicken, you down?
Chicken, 29th of November. Works for you?
Yeah, he said calendar marked you a toast. Toast. Good. Bring it on.
29th.
Bring it on. I'm so ready. Well, I'm not so ready. Like, I do need a few months, but December, I will be well and truly ready.
Sure. Good luck. Chicken, you're gonna be laughing so hard. So I messaged Claudia before and I asked her, hey, so let's do the paddle battle with Celine and you, right? And then Claudia says, oh, you were for real? Then let me learn the rules first.
She's just playing mind games if you didn't realize. That's how.
It's the easiest money ever. It's so funny. Also, Chicken, the 10K, 20K bet is between Celine and me. So if you want to put some money on the line, you got to talk to Claudia. Just saying.
He's calling Thessaloniki his town when he literally lives in Switzerland. He's a Swiss. That's my town.
What do you mean, Chicken? You just got a 2K payout yesterday. I'll pay for your flight, Chicken. But you gotta get up a bet there. I mean, it's easy money. It's 100% guaranteed, so you can make a 100K bet. It doesn't matter.
Kefasful has like written out all the terms. Grand paddle battle, Nick/Chicken, 20K.
Nice. After this match, you're not going to be broke anymore. Easy.
Oh, Chicken. You poor thing. You've been roped into Nick, and now you're going to be in a lot of debt, and I feel terrible, but it's your friend here. It shouldn't be your fault.
Bogdan says, who is this guy called Chicken? And who is Deshaun?
Deshaun.
Oh, boy.
Now, Roman, is it possible to get a... I really want to see a poll of who's on Team Celine and who's on Team Nick.
There is a poll up already. 51% Team Nick, 49% Team Celine. So it's very, very even. Chat, you've never heard of polls, huh? Have you?
It's 50-50 here. Oh, it's just gone 52%.
Chicken, the private jet back is more than 10K, so we're gonna lose on that trip. It doesn't make any sense.
Poly market is 50-1. Well, right now it doesn't look like that. Right now, Celine's team is 52%, and Nick's team is only 48%. So the numbers don't lie.
Chicken,
the chat knows.
Are you stupid? You said 10K and we fly back in a private jet. I say it's more than 10K, and you say it's 11. I did my research. Yeah, duh. 11 is more than 10.
Wow, what a great paddle teammate you chose.
Well, he has nothing in the brain, but he's a good paddle player. I don't need more than that. Okay. Also, Kifas says he's going to make a poster. Hell yeah, Kifas. Send that to me on Instagram, please.
Someone needs to make a song.
Oh, the paddle battle song?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We need like intro song. Like it'll be like a boxing match and we'll walk out to our paddle songs.
Yeah. All nonsense. No, Selena's out. I'm still in the short.
Yeah, I took profits. It was a clean trade, actually. That was like 38 points. So, I mean, this could still dump. I hope for Nick's sake it does dump, but happy to take my profits there. Yes, Chicken. The guy actually just asked me, have you played paddle? That is just ridiculous. Also, Chicken.
No, Claudia doesn't know.
Why are you Chicken? Why are you chicken?
Chad, you fucked up.
Why are you chicken?
Why are you a chicken?
Why are you a chicken? It's Destiny Samson. I am prepared. I will be prepared. You guys, I will never let you down. Don't you worry about that. Is anyone here actually trading?
Nicholas, I'm in a trade right now. Roman just doesn't want to show my screen. Roman's like, nope.
He likes the pink candles better than yours.
I'm in a trade right now.
Go over. Nick's in a trade. I just got out of a trade. I can go over mine really quick. Just to take it back to my charts really quick, Roman. This was the trade I was in. Basically, as I said, there was a nice reaction for the previous 15-minute high sweep after having swept. We've already had a previous 4-hour high sweep. And at that time, we also had what's happened to my charts? I didn't want to go back that far. One moment, please. Shocking internet here in Melbourne, isn't it?
Oh no, that's actually because you're very far away from the stream.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Okay. So to the guy who asked, this is the trade. It was just based off a previous 15-minute high sweep, previous 4-hour high sweep, and then the inversion on the 1 minute. I sold with a buy limit. Actually, I didn't get a chance to sell at market because I was distracted. So I had a sell limit, at this candle's close, the 1 minute candle close that confirmed the inversion on the 1 minute. The stops were at the high, and then it just targeted a 1-to-1 on that trade for 39 points. So not bad for a London session. Not bad at all. And that was a trade.
Good question, Trader Nikohan. Colleen, how are you going to prepare with such a busy schedule?
Maybe part of that busy schedule is the preparation. No one thought about that, it seems.
All right, you're winning the poll, Celine. Congrats, 54%.
I mean, I'm not shocked. These guys know. The chat knows.
I like to be the underdog.
Now,
unfortunately, I'm not on this one, but... Kifas, who's the referee for the game? You can be. Do you want to be the referee?
But you have to know the paddle rules. Also, who did you vote for? Because I don't want any bias.
Tell that to your partner, Celine.
Yeah, we'll have to talk to her after this. Also, speaking about giving away accounts, we didn't get that second like goal, so there might not be a second giveaway today. Just saying. You only got a couple more minutes.
Roman, my screen, please. I'm still in the trade.
He doesn't like your charts, Nick.
Apparently. You know, one little tip, Celine. When you're down 2-0 in the sets, when we're playing the third set, just tell Claudia, inhale, exhale. I heard it helps.
Don't you worry about the inhaling and exhale. You just make sure that you guys still have legs standing after the first set. Okay? You just make sure.
Angia says, add one more, Nick. No, we're in profit. I don't add in profit.
It's Destiny Samson. So Celine, someone has been asking about the indicator you use. I use two. One is the sessions and key levels by Script Edge, and one is just this indicator I had built that visualizes my model. So only two different indicators. That is it. What? Trader Nico on, good question. When is Roman's face reveal / debut?
Lol, I was muted. Noob. I was literally just reading that question. But I was muted.
Hair looking a little bit blonde in the light there, Nick.
Nah, hair is looking a bit curly in the live.
Curly.
Yeah, Miriam always mutes herself. And dogs.
Makes sense.
Hey, her intro is like over 40 lines now.
Wow.
It's like so long.
That must take up at least.
Self-muting is one of her lines, so.
I gotta add something to yours now. Self-muting. Done.
Nah, that's a line from Miriam, so you gotta make it different.
I got a few.
Brandon says, Celine, can you just make a short overview of your indicators and then play it? And then before anyone joins, they have to watch it like an ad.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that would
Funny.
I would much prefer.
Fractal Firm says they say Roman has an eye patch and the distinctive scar on his right cheek. Is that true? Now that's not true. The scar is on the left cheek. Angia says, I love Miriam the most. I love Rebecca as well. Aw.
We love them too.
Sazuke, step count? It doesn't track all steps on a treadmill, but it says 7,300 right now. So we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
I'm pretty sure that name's pronounced Sasuke.
Okay.
I'm right. Tell me I'm right, Sasuke. I think it's an anime character.
You're right.
Thanks. It's from Naruto. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Don't worry, Andrea. Don't worry, Sasuke. I got you.
Yeah, that's why I said you're right.
Thanks. We just wanted to hear it again. Dr. Ricino says, new all-time highs incoming. Well, potentially. We are still a little bit away from there. What?
I'm still in shorts.
Yeah, we do. We want Nick to hit his TP first, though, and then it can pump. I would say. Oh, well, you can have that. You can have your TP. That's all you get. And yeah, I mean, I do expect expansion in New York today. But if you really zoom out, like, the London session hasn't been that, like, you know, Asia did provide a bit of a drop here, and then London has sort of chopped around. So I would probably expect New York to move. Hoffman trade Celine, do you know how much you lose before taking a trade, or you find out after your stop loss gets hit? What? Are you trying to ask, like, do I know the exact amount I'm risking? Or do I need to wait for the stop loss? Because if that is the case, yes, absolutely, I know how much I'm risking.
Hey, can you read that guy's username who's asking for the giveaway?
Who's asking for the... Actually, he's a Celtics fan. He is, because that's the basketball team. It's Celtics. Come on, that you messed up there. That's the original Celtic.
Oh man.
Whatever, bro. Nisk. Whatever.
It's all good, Colleen. It's all good.
All right, the votes are in. We have 55% is with Celine's team, and only 45% with Team Nick. So we'll see. Come December, I'm pretty sure I got this win in the bag. Let's go, chat.
No.
Let's
November.
Go. Sorry, November 29th. I lied. Okay. Tradeify TV, any giveaway here? Raj?
Hey, we always do giveaways. If you hit like goals.
We do. But sadly, we set the second like goal and you didn't get that today. We did do one already, but the second one, no.
Yep. Just tell Sputnik we only did one giveaway during the London stream, and he might throw out a couple more during the New York stream. With that being said, chat, put a big fat W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put a big fat L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. We're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with another New York session stream with Spotty solo today. I'm not going to be there. Miriam is not going to be there. So Spotty solo, and then the rest of the schedule is as usual. And then, of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK time, Celine starts the London stream, and then I'll join in at 8. And at 9 a.m. UK time, we are going to have the third official Mario Kart Friday. So tune in and make sure you got your Switches ready, and it's going to be fun. Now, Celine, before we drop off here, any last words you want to say?
Well, I do. Thank you, Nick. Chat, it's been fun. Thank you so much for today's stream. It is clear to see I'm the favorite for the panel match as well. So I'm glad at the end of the day, as much as the few of you want to talk shit, I know you guys are with me at the end of the day. So I will always be here for the chat. Thank you, guys. W's today in the session. We took those trades. We took the win. Hopefully, Nick's trade is also going to hit that W. And make sure you're there to support the Spuddy in the New York session. And I'll see you guys 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Peace out.
Peace out.